To subscribe is free.
You subscribe yet?
Yeah, just back for business. She's for the streets, just living life with no apology. Yeah, free from poverty, despite the spiritual analogy. Some days she's happy, some days she's sad, some days all she thinks about is money. She's on a mission to fulfill her goals. Her heart remains so icy cold. Mama wasn't there for her, Papa wasn't there for her. There's no family that she could call. Some family is bad for business when there's no one to call. Who feels it? She's for the street.
Facebook, sir.
No.
No, man, stop much thank them. I'll do with that.
What making up for me now?
You know, I said, I want to piece of food with the try puzzle up. Come and say, but I get some problem, you know. And you know, if I go pay the money for yesterday, so right now it's all up on my mind, it's going to be forward, you know. So that's that me there wait for Billy. You know. Judge, you know.
You go look for your car, you just done cooking food and me I say, well, you don't come in. So I mind some if you walk come out now. I'm just see a lean back. So I'm not even bother say babes are not, you know, but here I go on.
In the car.
My youth.
Hungry talking and system.
My youth. If you stop ride the bike, so you know.
Hey, talk boy.
You don't ride the bike too reckless. You move careless from what you want to sit down with you and hold one good conversation with you.
About that, man.
You think me don't hear how you have a woman on the bike a haul him a good understand a haul him a come back and the woman a holla. Eh? Where you wheelie bike with the passenger them for? No work you work
no,
me.
everything under control, man. I tell you, I never wheelie with nobody, but now everything under control, man.
No, you
God,
can't tell me.
Do, you know, man.
You can't tell me that because I catch a red-handed. One of the time I see the pass with one passenger, this local boy, I don't know where him come from. And you see him 2 foot them up in the air and one of them hand them so.
You have to worry yourself, boy. I see it you just know say I worry, but not do me. I say I never, I'll ride bike and I never drop off a bike and chip up myself. One time I drop in, I'm a virgin, can go chip me up and I never make a man come up and bike fast again. You don't have to worry yourself, man.
Baby, I have to worry myself because here I go on. If I lose now, what me I gonna do?
I'm not cut it, but where say it cook? Where say it cook? Where say it cook?
Where do you want to eat?
Say ask, yeah.
Yeah, and rice and peas. What do you say you want?
The thing I may tell about you know, daddy. The time man come around and daddy, me don't want to move, you know, you. That's why I see me out as a child. Do that little thing, you know. So I tell you, say, yeah, my sister, I'm not come for food, and because next thing, man go mash at the food, and I know say you go to Bernal too bad juice down that thing, you know, say, you know, a problem that all cause, you know, daddy. So, and then me and man know a problem for you, money, such, you know. Just give me a little time, I go sort out the man piece of cheese, I'm going to go and check you. Me even take 45 minutes.
Well, I'll be where the chef said to me, so what make you can't go and eat the food now? Get to the point. Why you afraid to go and eat the food?
If me come now, look you look sexy in idea. Yeah, man, tell you, I'm going to strong up myself and I'm not come back out tonight. So, I have to bring him money go give him now.
No, I'm not wrong with that, B.
No, I'm not saying nothing
What
wrong.
is woman for?
Oh, God,
Eh?
it's the same thing.
You're not camp.
Jaja, you.
Let me be at peace. Service me and let me be at peace.
I see same thing I'm going to tell about. You mess man. We'll go start talking man money.
Alright, just alright. Go and go do what you do.
I'm going to check it. Then,
yeah.
Just after people come now, you know.
The food well hard, B. Go and go do what you do.
Alright.
Yeah?
Alright, come in.
I thought you look good.
Thanks. You look good too.
Thank you.
That's right. So,
Come sit down over here,
I
cause
have to do.
long time I not see a girl.
Like a fine man.
I wish me did find man like I am my love. But guess what? I'm still there on the hustling. I don't find a man. So how life I treat you and all these things?
You don't see.
Yeah, me see it.
I want look two look porn me put on, not you?
Yeah, me see it, me love. But me miss you upon the work still, you know. Not another lie, I miss you.
Boy. Nobody get back there. Me sometimes I miss work, you know. But at the end of the day, you have to just know, say, that's how life go. Me settle down you know. So it is what it is. I understand?
I understand.
Yeah.
I just have to do what you have to do in this time.
So tell me something.
Yeah.
What go on over there? What go on over your workplace?
Well, same usual. Not change. Everything I see. I understand, but you just have to put in the work if you can make money if you go on the level I want to go on right now. You understand?
Okay. I see. Well, I just see me there right now. Me and my man, and when we come together and we try to do little things, little business, you understand? So we can cope with. So
A good
that
thing
the work they were me left. I'm not gonna say I regret it, but right now what me I do is a blessing. You understand? Yeah, in a real life. Cause I have to hackle up my body again and then something there, you know. You understand?
Yeah,
But
I
you see,
understand.
so you see, me not judge you, you know. Cause me
No, you could never judge me, because I same place you come from.
Exactly, friend. But that's how you
Yeah.
are. Walk up for your body and up and down. Me not have to do it again.
No,
You get what
Pinky
me I
man.
say?
No, Pinky man, no sir.
Eh?
No say it like that.
No,
say it like
me
that.
not say no way, my friend. Me just say how you are hackle up your body now. Them the days they done for me. Me not hackle up my body again. You understand? Me just relax, live in the moment, as some stay now.
Just make sure I say not go wrong in a fair relationship, you know. I know say you good as I'll miss then $20,000 then $30,000 that we used to make a night time. You know, remember then time they used to you get their money there?
Girl, relax. You know see how me look.
You look good, but let me tell you something.
That
Looks
means
are
that me a
deceiving.
whole money, girl. Me a whole money. And right now, me happy, girl. I can see happiness for me, a happy life, me say. You know see it for me?
Me see
Me
it
a
for you.
glow.
Yeah.
Yeah, so when I say looks are deceiving, girl, and I like say, me a show like me happy and behind everything, me not happy. Me happy, girl. Me happy. Me can't tell when last me screw.
I lie.
Be a smile, me a smile, girl. This someone I just make butterfly just a come down. But
Oh
I when I
God.
them friends at home, me not see you. Me feel like one of them take your and see there and me lash a come off, girl.
No, son, nobody not take me there.
Me
still
feel like
at
one of
work.
the top man named find you in the club and take you and gone with you to home. Me not see you. See it? God is good. Me come back up in you.
Girl.
See it?
Well, no, that man now come to the like one time when they used to come often, you know. I just say go. Probably
Well-
through a new year.
Well, girl, hurry up and find one top man. Hurry up and find one. Because they have one saying, say, you see the SEX there with different type of man. Then dirty spirit rub off on you. And me no want go that way because me no want no dirty spirit rub off on me. So you want go on now, hurry up
Thank you.
and find a top man.
Pinky,
Eh?
I feel like I feel bad in myself.
No, how dear me, I
Let
wouldn't
me
do
ask you
that.
one question. So dirty spirit no rub off in you too.
No, listen.
You remember so I see
But
work I used to
then-
do, you know.
But then, and when me go down at that place, cool place there, and me get my little Florida water, me get it and me read a Psalms and me wash off from head to toe. No more spirit no dey for me. So, my friend, me
Alright, later, yeah. Come here figure out work.
yeah man, later, me I go and sit down and say, here.
Alright, later.
Right. Why is me I tell you, the SEX no good. Cause see, it look like you just rub down for you to like a SEX. Boy,
Yes, man, hard that work, man. Say, go on there now. Okay, say. Ready for me now?
In real life, though, I want to see how long a New Year's, you know, man, a new money, you know. Everything raised right now, you know, China, man.
So you mean any reason about that, daddy?
No, we don't hear enough reason about that. You know, sister, I know you can't get a bike because China, man, more buy
So
some
come
things.
like a extortion thing. No. Bad man, I see you need a friend then, bad man. How can I style them, my dog?
You can't tell me about deal with friend. You know, you tell you, say, and money me want, money, and New Year's now, you can't get it back with watcha. You know, get this still, me get piece of food now, me hand, you know.
So I know say no wise. Make us something, bike taxi me run. Say if you want the money. If me not get the bike free on bike taxi, you go get the money.
Right now, between me and
you. Yeah, slow down your one and sell
no,
a few.
No, listen, right now, between me and my business, you know, my friend. Watcha, everything you say, I go through one and ears, I come through one. This attack right now.
That me must say, me say from school days, you know, dog.
Bad man, you tell us, say, and get him, business, bad man, I don't care what you want to say if me corrupt or me this.
Say, for New Year, me broke for New Year then.
Me no business what you want to do, you know, my friend. As long as I carry money, come give me, you know, me no business what you want to do.
I weapon that farm against me in the New Year, yeah.
China, man, it makes sense you go on, no, cause you don't tell me nothing more here, you know.
Are we a dig fan of bag? Yo, carefully I did you.
Go on, man. Go on. Yo, you come see me for my work. Go on, man.
Bad man, let's make sure I get back later. Yeah.
Yeah, money.
Bad man, you may tell me. Bad man, come back from back. Make sure I'm back ready. You may tell.
Come back with money.
Come back with money. Long chatting about new price.
Right now, New Year's money talk.
Bad man.
If I just talk, you know, come in with more talk, you know, upon that.
Yo, first time I'm going to start. The camera things going again and tell me about no New Year price.
Alright, go on. Have a nice evening. Have a nice evening. People are waiting for me.
Teeth in boy. See all you want to say nothing, man.
You're sick, man. Go on, man. You're sick like the rest of people not coming. I feel like say this and no.
Go on, mumble, man. Go on, mumble to yourself, man.
I feel like a charity this. Go on, man.
Go on, mumble to yourself, man. You're a fool or road, man. Make sure my thing ready, boy.
Brandy! Here person. I'm not going to answer nothing again.
Yeah, I know.
Come here, say no? How you do?
Where me yard?
I do what?
What you mean I do what? Where me yard? Just where me yard.
Anyways, why you not come around? You're there home doing what? Waste your time?
What you mean why me not come around? You don't know what I'm going already.
Other side not come around? Girl, me talk to the girl already. And me talk to Bossy. And you're going like say, it's your fault in your old situation. It's not your fault. You need to come and work.
Then I'm not come back this way.
Why you not
Can
come
you
back?
see? With them pound girl there, me and them not go. I'm not coming back. They let me eye to that. My eyes are completely shut.
Brandy, you need to calm down yourself. Hey, remember so this is a familiar secret, you know. Mommy don't know about this, you know. And I like say, yeah, get money from nobody else. And I like say, mommy I give you money. She not give you money and this is the only way you make money. And this is the only way you can earn. Then my clothes that we have, who buy? You buy, you don't feel good in yourself, you know, say you buy yourself something. And then again, you see, when you come back to work, you see, look at the people, young boy, them, you know why you don't work with them. Because guess what? You see, them all go come, buy, and then go go talk about it. And then next thing, you can reach back a moment ears. So you have to know what you do. You have to pick it all the man, them and do what you do. You understand what I'm saying?
Completely understand.
Make sure you come and work tomorrow. Remember, say you're my sister, you know. I'm feel comfortable working with you, you know. You know, feel comfortable work with them, girl, then I cannot trust them. I trust you because you're blood. I'm not say them are water. You understand that?
I think so.
So what you say?
When you think about it, I get back to you.
Mm-mm.
So
Yeah,
we can't
come
think
and
about
work.
it.
No, as a matter of fact, we are gonna work tonight. Tonight we are gonna work. I must say a secret between me and you.
Hold on. You know if you have clothes here, we come and work.
You have
Tonight.
clothes. No. You have clothes. Me
How
have
you
clothes.
know that?
How you know that? And then again, remember say you owe me look of money, so I'm gonna want it back.
Okay. So I'm not really this sister love, sister band, sister something you come about. I told me who are you?
No,
The
girl.
little money. Anyways, that's a party. Now I'll give back your money.
No, but you owe me money. You know, expect you to pay me back my money.
First of all, not to pay back, but you're my sister.
And
You're
so,
supposed to give it. Me not run me no.
me know say you not run that time. Why you go and go work and make back the money and give me some little because you borrow. A long time, I owe me a long time. Me have bills for deal with, me have things for do. Okay. No, say I'm a sister love. Anyway, I go check one little piece of man up there, so because every time he come, he just a trust so, like he name this a trust, and all in God we trust. You understand?
I know the fake rasta yet. I know the fake rasta yet.
Him said that with a little sweet mouth. And me ever fall for him mouth, you know, or him mouth sweet. Me not make it fall. Me not fall for it this evening. I want my money. Me need my money.
You don't know what? Are you teach me now? You know, so before you get where you're supposed to put it out your hand. You never hear some money in your hand.
Nobody sing. Alright.
Alright, later. Me see you later.
Can't get to the girl after our day, you know. Jaja. Yeah, man, it's something, you know, man. Girl, you know, answer phone, man. Wonder if I can get to a boy white from an idea. Because this a girl that come like a joker, you know. White room. We say white room not near you. So, how you do the phone? In left it. And there for room in dancing. You know see Marika. We spot her one time. We spot her see she at. How is usually go? Yo, when I see white rum, tell him to give me back a shot, man. And tell him say, yo, tell him someone see him, cause me not like what go on for real, you know. Yeah, man, tell white rum someone see him. Yeah. Alright. No, man. You know, say I don't no, I mean, I go down a workshop. They are good on my workshop, but me I call America and couldn't get to her, so right now my mind change, you know. No man, me I go look if me see around that round. Yeah. Alright. Yes it. Yeah man, around them I go check. Alright. Bless up. Respect. Go on. See your face look so.
Oh,
I call her from yesterday. And can't get to you.
my phone dead.
Your phone dead. So long. Maybe as me realize say be a switch for me, you know. Be a switch for me like cause me I call her from yesterday, me I look out for think you there come and check me. And no me can't see it. Me never come up here and say you're there and one bag of something. Then you come tell me say your battery dead. No sir.
Battery dead.
You tell me a thing what do you know and I hit me at work with you and you come like say yo tell me you want for us and something. I know you come like you not work with fear part of your bargain. You come like say yo you just full up my head with beer things just to grow me. So
I
I
done
go.
that now.
Huh?
I done that now.
Yeah, so if me done talk right now,
Listen
amount of
to
things
me.
me upon my head to tell you right now. Cause you not go and good enough for real now.
Listen to me. First and foremost, me in a relationship, right? What you can't come and give me now? Me know say I can't nothing from you now. And yeah, me you depend a bargain, yes. But you work towards it? No. And me have to hustle my local money said way. Remember saying no, most time and me I provide and you are the man. So you see, you look a bargain thing with the pan, you have to go put it aside, or else you have to go on.
Jaja, you talk like say me not do. You talk like me not do nothing. The amount of times me in a rain, watch alcohol me catching it through me in a rain, I fix bike, injure my finger them more while. Just because more you happy. Not true, me can't make it bigger than how me I make it now. Me have to wait. Me can't, you know, me have to wait.
I understand all of that. But remember, say me want to love my lobster, my fish, and then look at something there. You understand? I like go out. You ever there work, and sometimes me I make more money than you. Not sometimes, most of the time I make more money than you. So what you say?
Remember the first time we meet, I'm just get my partner job. I'm done everything for you. I'm tell you, my members, I'm going to make you know, you know, say, every day me I go have money like this, you know. Because you see, true, me want the best for you, same way, me done money for you. And here we are son now, you talk.
How me son?
You sound ungrateful.
No, I'm not ungrateful.
How?
Suffering days done. And you see, if you can't put what we want to the table, this don't make no sense. You understand? I'm not ungrateful. Me grateful because remember, say, if me never grateful enough, I can go hotel with me other than me I go hotel. I go all like big place and me I go. Remember, say I spend $1 per me then time there, no, and my money I won't spend. So talk to me nice. Oh, me ungrateful.
What you know?
So talk up to me nice.
So yet there. So you plan to sell a body for the rest of your life? Eh? Why?
Let me ask some question. At this I come here for this?
No, not this. I come here for this, but remember, you know, me be a thief and gunman and I change my life just because I want to do something constructive just because I want to change my life to make money. But we not have to go thief and we not have to do this to make money. But you know, you come like say you have one degree for sell. I mean, I understand. Right. I don't understand. You have to do better, you know, because I change my life. You must can do it. I'm true when I talk the truth now. You know, like hear that. You come like say a bunny bun, everything in your heart. I mean, I like that, you know.
Let me ask you one question.
Well, ask me a question.
You want me to sit down in the house, right? And look on each other.
Never tell her that. Me never tell her that. But you can't look better work then. Because while I see all I go out in my and I hug you up and I say, babes, enjoy your day at work. You know that feeling in my heart. You know me feel. And I can't do nothing about it because I know say yes. How you do for your living? Oi, right now, you just, boy, I don't even know what to say.
You just what? You enjoy money though?
No get me wrong. No get me wrong, me enjoy the moment at the time. But now when me met Zia and sit down to myself and me say, boy, me fool, you see. Me is a one of the foolish man then, but me can't do nothing, me can't do nothing. Me can't do nothing, me have to just accept it because what? I saw me know you, I saw me be meet you.
Alright, guess what? Me have somewhere to go because I have some business to deal with and you waste my time right now. Later me talk to you. I can't talk to you right now.
Man, alright. Alright, big up yourself then.
Yeah.
Can't talk to me. See, say you get hype from what you know. But go on with the hypeness same way. You go on. Take shots, man.
Yeah, just back for business. She's for the streets, just living life with no apology.
Yeah, man, things, yeah.
Free from
Hey, we gotta come back though. Come
Yeah,
on,
yeah,
Castle.
Alright, so just give me a few. Jesus. So alright, cool.
How much money me come from? Want my money? Me no want you talk. No tell me if you no shh.
Come on,
Me no want you talk because your mouth too sweet. So me not hear nothing. Just give me my money. Give me my money.
Come reason me,
Me no
man.
want
Come
re-
here, come reason me, talk to me. I'm to you, man.
No man.
Watch your bag, watch your bag drop out of my hand.
Give me
Eh?
your
Who
money.
listen, we talk, man. Come here, we talk to you, man. You remember say we make enough arrangement, enough agreement. You look tense, man. Just relax yourself, man. Eh? Rasta is the only way, you know that already, you know.
Yeah, me
You come
know.
reason about certain things, I mean, you talk and we emphasize. Just nobody embarrass me like that.
No, me not
I know
embarrassed.
so you grow up, man. Remember say you're a Christian.
No, me not Christian.
No, man, you
Who
can't.
tell us I'm a Christian? Who tell her that?
I make you move, so. Make you talk the way you like saying, understanding the situation.
Come on, just give me.
Alright,
money.
here, I have money for you.
Yeah,
How much you want to see again?
$40,000.
40,000?
Yes.
I have 44,000. Come feed.
No.
Come for the
No,
money,
you
you know.
have to be
When the money say what, man? Come for the money, man, and stop smiling. Eh? Look how you look good and nice. Eh? I want to take you off the road, you know. But you don't want to come off the road. Eh?
Yeah, give me money for sure.
Come me, I give money for you. Come on. I like how your energy change and all and thing. You know what I say? I best way that, you know, sometimes you feel wear the tongue and understand powers. The powers, you know. You see what I say? How you feel now?
I feel alright.
You feel much better?
Yeah, I feel much better because I can understand you talk to me a bit more, understand. Yes, I feel better. I like how you sort me out, you know?
You know that I think, mama. Because you forget where we are come from, you know. So if you forget where you come from, you're going to always lose focus. You understand me, I say? Rasta is the only way, man. Right?
Right.
Look at your face cheer up and nice and happy and smile and think we got some kind of root up still. We never really want to feel, you know what I mean?
That's where I go. When I go, I fix it back.
Alright, I'm on them. Me will start you up, man. Later on, come down test me, I get a little partner down later.
Also, when you come back later.
No, I come check it on the club, man. You're down at the club later, right?
Yeah, we go then I come.
And tell me something, talk to your sister, cause me hear you sitting going to your sister, you know. I'm not like what I'm going. I mean, hear it really, I say to myself, say them things they don't sound good, don't feel good.
Listen, I don't want to talk about my sister. Me angle my sister. I don't nobody angle her for me, understand?
Don't have to calm down, yeah? Keep it cool, yeah? That's how things set.
Nobody root up me.
Hug me up, if you hug me up.
Alright, later.
So
yeah?
later, I'm catch you at the club, yeah?
Alright.
Let's make sure say if ropes on me first, yeah?
Aye.
Yeah, just back for business.
Father, blessed me killer. General, heart of love here. What, bro?
Oh, you going on, father?
Why pray my father, man?
Then me there no teacher, you know, say, are you me there upon the road, I say, I look at things we can come gear door.
God know me general.
You know, say, it kind of overdue still on my father, you know.
Yeah, in a real life, you know. Are you
So
me
go
come
on.
get a link still in a new year or still, you know?
Say, pray, how go on?
No disrespect, you know, I don't really know how to say this, you know, but.
So yeah, I say.
Because me I want good youth, you know. But you know, sometime in a life, like, some good youth help some youth when them things are good youth. But the good youth never know, so the good youth when they help and one good youth.
So wait, what you say?
Alright, hear me I say, no, because I come like a rain and I come really and true, like the bike, me come back 5 still, you know. Me come to
John
take the
know.
bike still, you know.
John, no teacher.
Yeah, bro, because you know, so no
Give
disrespect.
me about $1 in my pocket for that. Daddy continue give me till that me can't come here then. Matter of fact, if you don't want to give me till 10, give me 2 more hours for my father. Baby,
You know, sir, no disrespect. The only time I could have give you right now 5 seconds for you come off and turn up on your 2 foot them and go and work on your 2 foot them.
Some big disrespecting that, daddy.
Bro, I can't believe so you deal with people, boy.
You know, take your things, man.
Every bike you ride, you mash up your bro.
Take your things, man. I saw no go on, man. Like you know, I help you. So now hold down you. Go on with the things, man.
I'm telling you something, man. And that's why a man like me, if you don't help youth like you know. You don't want nothing out of life.
Man.
Go man mash up my bike.
Hold down youth, man. Go on.
Go there. My bike even can't start because you mash up it. You know, me push it on me hard, yeah, man.
So now hold down, man. Go on like you know help you. I mean, I'll call this, I get that thing. I get you. Yo. I'll answer for him phone to you. Hello. How you doing? Yeah, man, I want to talk to you, man, because serious thing are going on. Because be a thing are going on in my life, my friend. I wonder if you cause this, you know. If you come and be a problem, yeah, you know, miss me a foul. If you come like you and hot up me head, more to you.
So all day sit me and slackness. I slackness, you know, because you call me, say you want to do business. I arrange for $10,000 and this man can give me $9,000. I won't take me far. That's why I'm not like come here, you know. Because every time I come here, I this thing though. You ain't no saying buy one gas for a man. $9,000. Wait. I see how they look at the rest of my watch. Voicemail. All right. Monique. Yeah, what? Oh, some there. Me alright, man. Me just a call. No, man. Me one more ask you see you're the Rasta man, you're the music in a business. Yeah man, I just I something more about go give him. Yeah man, me did borrow it from him yesterday, but guess what? Me can't get to him. But in this I want it back today and I have to get it back today. So what I want to know is you know which part you live? Oh, that's all. No man, no, you mad? I must say, no man, I'm not no business. I just something want about the game. Alright, thanks. So yeah man, big up yourself. Yeah. I don't know if you love people business too much.
Just wait. Are you gonna wait me?
Me wait you?
Me tired, man.
Anyway, I'm gonna say a club last night.
Me there? Me say me up. I say right then. Me gonna take a 5. Right, it be 5 turn in a 1 hour. And me wake up it done gone, but already me just finish sleep. couldn't make it last night, but he tired, man. I see them is still tired.
You know, say, you're joke though.
Oh, yeah, me, then if me...
You're joke. You know what I'm saying? We make 49,000 from the Rasta man. We make 40 from the Rasta man. And we make no. We say 49 no. We make 10,000. From you remember a big bald man we always go like he have money and something. Him was say money.
That full moon head man there.
Yeah, him said I make $10,000 from him. I make 40,000 from the Rasta. So you know so that $50,000 I make. I mean also right now you're broke and paparazzi and no money. So if I like you come my club, I'm going to go hustle some money because I guess so. And you're all the person I have to talk to. No, nobody else to talk to.
You know what I say? Me I want never be tired or my brain tired. Cause you tell me something, man. You stutter around 2 times. Me know me not sleep. You sure I saw you go how you say it? How you go? Cause first you say 49, then you stutter upon that. You change it from 49 to 10, then you change it from 10 to 50.
You know, so I kind of love people business too much.
You are going to tell me your business.
Listen. We need to go to a club if we go make some money. So, up at the club, me I go now. So you need to go get your clothes, change off, because we need to go for a club. You understand me? And wash off your face, because you look like you just wake up.
Let me just tell you, me just wake.
Go on now. Yeah, take too long.
I lie. But you not even right now. Me not even really want to go in.
Alright, I'm going to throw some water in your bed around there. Alright.
I lie.
So go on now, go and feel
You never
clothes.
tell us that I can't swim.
Go and feel clothes.
You can't bother with you.
You have choice? I'm going to say bro.
What you not saying?
Girl, look here. Fine as usual. Where you going with?
Nothing.
So I like my calling cap on one thing though, God know. Be a little drama youth. You wanna say man see me down the road while I go and take me off my bike. Man I can't take him bike from my daddy. Take me off my bike, brawling. I tell you about man, be a style thing, man, I load me up. I have to make you know see a whole in things, man, I dashing keep on it. Because you know, I don't take no violation. You see style? Believe, but then me there say I call him if you swear upon, you know?
So you take up big boss, dashing keep on him. Because you not take no violation. So what we are going to do now?
But the man tell me say you want him back come for do.
May I ask you one question? What we are going to do now? Eh?
But I tell you, say, I tell the man say give me till today. Give me tell me because I tell man say give me an hour. The man no busy. But you know, I have to find a way, you know. But I have to make you know why style and walk and just give me like a time for it. I say you want a piece of food and be.
Time.
Remember going to Princess, you want a piece of food and you don't know say
time.
You want to get that, you know.
Time, look, no want you touch me today.
You can't touch her?
No, not touch me today. I'm in a mood. Time.
Really
time wait for no man. Listen, time wait for no man. You know say, come to think of it. You know say it's a good thing. Me see the girl over there. And me and her reason do.
Which girl?
God, you say you're good.
Which
you're
girl?
Good enough. Huh?
Which girl?
My friend, me and her used to work in the club. And me and her are reason. You know say come to think about it. Go say same thing again. Me know what me I do. Me know what me I go do.
Where you do?
Me know what me I go do. What I mean by what I go do? Me I go back for the work because me can't live so.
Come
me
like
can't go live so. Huh?
Say come like a planting. A planting that means if me a thing then work out, then done plans if I go take on road and some style. So that means you don't really rate me then. Me just convenient.
Oh, rate come in and convenient.
No, but you tell me say you know we are going to tell us give me like a time. I go do the thing.
Me cannot give you no time because me can't sit down so. So me don't know where you come to me and come tell me about time. Time wait for no man. You hear me I tell you? So me I go just go back for the work and go and ease myself.
Are you name time?
Huh?
Are you name time? You tell me say time wait and no man. Me not talk about time. Me talk about you I'm in a relationship with my friend.
So, me ask you
We
one
go on
question.
with, but hear me say still. Since I say Ray, I'm a man have a pre-life. Then, if I see you go do so then, you should tell me say you only canny man then. Nobody needs to touch you. You have to just keep it on the level so then. No man touch you then. Yeah.
No. What you trying to say?
Me tell you if you
Give me
know
the
what you
cigarette
do.
because right now, me no smoke. Me see me stop smoke,
Yeah,
but me
man,
have to
smoke.
light up
Yeah,
back
man,
this.
smoke and calm me
What
nerves,
you
man.
mean by
Me tell you if you careful what you do.
careful what me I do? What you
Yeah,
mean?
me
No.
woman, you have to know what you're doing.
Yes, so me I go back on the work, but get to the point. What me fi know what me I do it? Huh?
You're going to cannot understand him. So sometimes you're going to cannot understand
I
him.
hope say you not think what me I think, you know. I hope say
What you think?
when me go back at the club there, I no come watch me in a dirty junk crowd.
What?
Me say, hope say when me go up at the club, they go back and start work.
So why if me come watch you? You feel me woman, you know? I feel me front here walk with you, know? So if me come watch you?
Well, and they,
Who if me come watch you?
so dirty
Me not come
dog.
watch you still. Me not come watch you still. But what if me come watch you? You can't stop me. I feel foot them.
Dirty dog. So you watch your pums now? You watch your pums?
I feel me pums that, so me have
So
all
you
like
want-
to watch it.
You want to stop my food?
Me not stop your food.
I want to stop my food.
Me not stop your food.
So if the people there see say, me man, come up there now. What you think are gonna happen? Because everywhere me and you, what you think are gonna happen? When the people there see you up there, Me telling you, since recently you staying weak and no lie. So if you feel like you're bad, put a foot up there so I can watch me pums. Because I must, I don't fear it.
My life is correct here. You talk about fear. I don't fear it anymore.
I don't fear.
I don't fear it anymore.
Me have it on my own.
Yes, calm down yourself, man.
Here, me know me I go there. You know what? Just excuse sign in front of me. Excuse her. Why you doing in front of me?
You might be a nice one. Might be a lot of things people are yes and things, brother. I'm here, brother. You're going to say, I can't love him.
I mean, don't touch me. You're workless like a dog. You're workless. That's why you're coming with rum and weed. You're workless, man. Man like you. You should have one of that job I do when you
yeah, the smoky crave near me come in the door. My workless but the smoky crave near the door. Yeah, the smoky door. You didn't even say chance to get cream, I'm workless.
Remember some spend for you know.
I never seen a spend.
So nothing wrong if me take one half a craving here from you.
Never seen a spend, girl, but you make it sound like something
wrong
to drink
if
rum and
take one
smoke.
half a craving
I stress, me stress
you.
out, come I say, tell me say what a thing, you know. And the man take a piece of bike from me, you know. I'm gonna make him money. So I forgot to get a drink and smoke. Yeah, they see me a try, me say, tell me say, you know. I know I don't like disappoint you never disappoint me, you know. You dig me a try share? I said, tell us now, as my woman, just make it boy them know if you keep in distance. Me not see me come watch a thing. Just make know if you keep in distance. Social
right now,
distance like corona time.
Anything you said to me right now are pure rubbish. Right now, me need to touch your road. You and you're talking no make no sense right now. Cause me need to go find back myself on the job there right now. You see what you are coming with right now?
Or you lose yourself.
You don't make no sense. You don't make no sense. Me I go show you how. And me did I run things up there so. And I will show you something. I'm going to tell you something. Do not come up there and watch me. Me don't want. If me didn't want somebody to watch me, me would have breathed for a long time. I have one little jimble inside of me and watch me. Me don't want you to watch me.
That means you don't plan to breathe for me.
Don't come up there and watch me. See a lucky door and go sleep.
Shoot, let me see how to make you a girl. Watch, watch. Watch. Straight at me again. More fearful. So I get mad. I can't start filming that now.
I think you stop smoking. I want to go and know. I think your life changed, you turn Christian and all these things. So, how happen?
Girl, right now I'm stressed out. Stress will kill me. Stress will kill me.
Like, me not
let me get to the point.
Yeah, get to
Let me get to the point. I want to come back from the work.
Eh? Yes, sir.
Girl, I'm here to talk to me. I want to come back from the work.
Which one I work? Security work or one? Kind of security work me do.
No one come back from the spot. I may need it as soon as possible. Tonight.
I think that they use Epilogue. So I want go on. I think that that's a me and hackle up my body. So I want come back and hackle up your body. Hmm? Let me ask you one question. Now you say you move on from the things that you have a man. Yeah, your man and work out things in a partner. You know, you just have to look asleep on the side. So what problem now?
Listen.
I just few days
Listen. Don't get pumped up on my nerves. Can you see right now I'm in the mood? You understand? Don't be the one that me take you out pan. You hear me I tell you? Because it look like you come to mock me or something. Our problem?
No, girl, I would never do that. But you see, you did that go on other day and I rub everything in my face and I go on with yourself. Me have to really understand if I joke. I'm probably a prank out when I look for the camera. I can't have a prank out. I joke out though. But
Marika, I don't know joke thing me dey pan. You see me a smile? You see me big teeth them? Listen. Here what happen now. Because I can't just tell you someone want to come up on the job and I not tell you what go on.
yeah, can you have a reason?
You get what I say? Even though I know say me run things. You understand? Here what go on. A little dirty man make the people then take back the bike from him.
How comes?
What you mean how comes? Remember say I not feed him it. You forgot? Remember say everybody knows I not feed him. And he say when the man tell him say he come off of the bike, him catch a piece of hype now and throw the keep on the man. Tell me now, liberty come through carelessness. If somebody come to you and say they want the bike, it must be one reason why they say they want the bike. So you're not going to try to classify things.
Yeah.
You're going to take up big boss, throw back the keep on the man. How am I going to cope now? You see it, and the boy make me left me work. So how am I going to cope? See that now, I have 15,000 left in the pan. What am I going to do? And you see, the worst thing about it, you know, you see the bike when the man take away from him, I hit in the carry one piece of food come give me, you know. So tell me now, how would the sadness a follow? Because I couldn't me. Are you mad?
My mom.
Are you mad? Make it sadness follow me.
Mad.
Because me I tell you say happy life and me I live good. And me I tell you a situation, you see them wanna smile and me see hear them what you give me. That means you never happy for me, so you look a dirty goat mouth catch me.
Me never happy for you. I made it that good things. Boy, a relationship. I know me mouth. It just never feel work out. It just, and you did go back on the roadside because I guess so. Roadside did pick up your fam. So anyway, you take care of the dog go back.
Girl, let me tell you something, you know. I know me, nobody not pick you up from the roadside, I know, you know. So not because the little man pick me up from the roadside, you're bad man and you're jealous, you say me you're a friend. You couldn't say, oh God, me feel a pain and coming back from the work. Yeah, where you go so now? The man pick me up from the roadside, so me not forget.
Listen, I could be in that situation that you're in now. Because guess what? Me have one piece of man who want me stop do that work then. And me tell him say me not talk with because feel look money when my carrying cannot help me because sometimes my money had we work. So understand? And you want to working up thinking nobody never stop you. And you stop for your own. You could have continued your work and still have a man.
Well, listen to me.
If he didn't love you enough, he still would keep you. Just like from one.
Well, listen to me. The street is calling me back, you know.
And you're going.
And me going back, you know. So
Okay,
here we go now. Call the boss and tell him say, may I come back on the work tonight.
Yeah, I'm calling him now. I don't want him. I'm calling him now. So you go up there? If he say yes?
Girl, I know my clothes are do it, you know. And my body is a charm. I'm going to show you how you do things.
Don't know, no. Hello. Boss, you are gone. Yeah, me alright. You know, so me have a little surprise for you, though. Your one time favorite says she want to come back. Yeah, boss. Should I write her so? No, she want to come back tonight. She want to start tonight. I feel your credit or my credit.
Give me the phone now, girl.
Hold on. Yeah. You want to talk to her? Aye.
Babe. Bossy. Yes. Glad to hear it too. Yes. Yeah, man. More. Come back from the work tonight. Oh yeah, so man, boss, me know say me your favorite. The best. Yeah, man. Oh God, boss, you're not supposed to ask me that. Me must have me tools them. Eh? Okay. Alright. Yeah. Later.
Alright, you credit her down.
You are going on. Me go get myself ready for later.
Alright,
You
okay.
understand? I have to catch up here and do myself somewhere because boss tell me say a man them a ask him me there. So you are going now. You are going cause you say you sit down. You have one guess.
Nobody not there. No one reach it. Oh, one girl.
Good do I'm not alive.
Always
Extra good tonight.
Where's your man?
So we are up tonight.
Of course, not work tonight, but not with you. Oh, you the one took my sister and come took me.
Yeah. Woman, nobody taste time, man. How much I say? They double it. You know, say a 6,000 regular, but I don't give 12. Believe.
Are you hearing what's coming from my mouth?
Yeah. So that's the foolish one. I mean, if you hope, if you're not hope, just tell me the fun.
Yeah, what, but me not work with you. You're there for you're not here. You just gonna interrupt when me did that a while ago. You finished that?
You're mad. I'm seeing you look so good. How much money? We say I wine for the pole tonight. So right now, me have a couple dollars in my pocket or a couple blue boy and a couple orange boy for you. So still want to go on, a couple of them there and want to walk with me, even though they're dead. Right now, me have them. What you say? I just see if you name a price. Anything you say, I hit to go with right now. Even though I tell you 12, me triple it then.
You can't give me $1 million?
Oh, yeah, come.
Alright then, one. You don't make sense.
Yeah, give me a number.
Next! Which number? You know what? You're not really here with me answer right now. You're not hearing nothing. Breathe, Millie!
Me no do so no business. So you don't care along so you don't care shame so. No sir.
Some man don't need to get shame if you don't understand no place.
Sir, come on, that's what I like you. Yeah, your family them you know. Hold on no one.
No, I'm just saying what I'm saying. So you don't do that. Why not do it?
Come in, man. A bossy.
Bossy.
I'm also.
Bossy.
You know, so I always happy to see you around, you know. So you're not afraid to approach me when you see me. You know?
No, honestly, bossy, me never see you. I truth me I tell.
Well,
See, me not even know say, I want to buy a new car.
well, I think, don't worry about that, man. I think you're up in your feelings, true. You go settle down with man, you feel like, say, nah, man, you're always welcome, you know.
Sister, watch that! Little dear! Master! Watch out! Not early though. Me always early. I'm always. Early I get to most work. Mr. Girl, me
have something to tell you.
Already? And you just come back here?
As we come the drama start, you mean? Listen.
So juice me fast.
Don't be a dirty little candy looking man.
Banana man.
The candy jelly looking one. Look like you man suffer from malnutrition. That one me.
So wrong with it?
No one do business with me. I mean.
What do you mean? So you do business?
Which business?
The business where you say what
When actually not the business.
But you're not idiot.
What do you mean?
You come here to make money. We are talking about we business. Let me tell you something. I work, you're coming on. So if you come to buy, you're selling me now. So one time we go out the road with the different business, we talk about that out the road, but I work, you know.
You don't feel man is two different man.
Yeah?
Can't manage the type of
That's
man.
our question. Why different when time we have other man in our club and in two we are do with them? Why different?
Yeah. That's no difference. But you don't like it.
Yeah, because we have no choice.
Me not beg, he not beg me. That's the thing.
But I'm money you want. If I put on the back here and give it, nothing wrong with that. Your eyes shut.
What? What you mean?
Your eyes are totally shut.
No man, it look like so you run to your body hard.
No, I'm not running hard and hustling and hustle.
So hard.
Reach. Yeah? Talk to me nice. Anyway, I'm glad to see that you're still in the coming out to what it is not good. I got one. Then I'm like,
It don't even know what come. Like him and time me. And you want me to send to you.
At least I get you something. Eh? Early bird catching most bird.
And that I choose me. So
Bartender.
nobody else know.
No, bartender. No, I'm not a bartender. I didn't see the pound one.
You're always welcome. I'm happy to see you there still. You know? No, joke.
Maybe so I can remember.
Yeah, man. But, not true you're there run off with the little boyfriend and you feel like see a thing no go over. The thing government said way. You know, your space, no girl can replace that. So, just go and go mad up your thing, you know?
Yeah,
Make some money. That is it.
Bossy, you know life is like a choice, right? But sometimes, I know you really want to pick the choice there, but you have to work with it. And as me can tell you right now, you have to just happy in back on the work.
Yeah, no must. Money come
swear.
first.
Yeah, me
Money
have to
come
happy back
first.
on the work.
Just make sure it's still before you go home tonight, you know, you see.
And me like, me you go,
Yeah, man.
go home after work. Alright, here, one thing I want to tell us, boss. No disrespect, but you have to go make it fast because I see your thing, you always come with this hours business and that.
I make it fast, man.
You understand? Yeah, so.
Yeah, make it fast,
I'm
man.
glad to see you, boss. You know, I'm come to take over the work again.
Yeah, man, I'm happy to
not
see you.
disappointed, right?
Correct.
Exactly.
That is it.
But you're alright.
Yeah, man.
So after work, no hours thing.
What you talk about?
Boss, you know me I talk about you always I do look hours thing when me go out, so me can't.
Yo, just make that stay, you know. Because we have to just do what we have to do. You know.
Alright, boss, see you later.
Yeah, man, take care of yourself and do right.
Yeah.
I'm like that. Bye. Can't wait to clap that one here again, you know. Yeah, man.
See a friend, man.
When you worry about things, it's when you come here, so when you talk about people, you come here to do business. You got love. I don't want to touch that. No,
talk to Bossy.
What mean you not talk to Bossy?
That's it.
What you mean you not talk to Bossy? I don't understand.
You just come and me and Bossy will reach. Everything does something, you know something like this style?
What kind of
I like this style because they ever sold bad mind against me. What you mean by what me I talk to Bossy?
I'm about to only a Bossy number. Only what's a Bossy number.
Me not have Bossy number. Me just a come and see Bossy, so me just stop and talk to him. What is the problem? How?
Your Bossy no business.
My boss in no business, and if my boss in a business, that no concern you. And my front business years arguments.
So let me see my care for.
Up in your mouth.
All of
And I come like you want to spread this in
All
your
of
mouth.
the
Let me buy all of me in my car for. I want me and bossy attack.
I'm not so a question.
Girl, move. What else man for?
No, come on, no, your Bossy is like
Girl, relax.
relax.
Come to work. I come to no investigation.
You come to
Relax.
work. Well, I tell you, make a phone call. This is a call that's important. You hear? Alright, sister.
I'm glad they come and stay over and something, you know?
Yeah. Remember, I'm telling you somebody that will come, so I'm gonna change my mind.
No, nothing like that. Calm down now.
We come.
Oh.
Anyway, you know, say, Pinky come back.
Yeah, friend Pinky?
Yeah, my friend.
So not good something that, man?
Which part of that good?
Hey, friend. Look how long she know there which part you there work.
No, but she moved on with her life. She's not supposed to come back there, so.
I don't understand what you're trying to say. What happened?
What me I try to say is, I don't like how she and Bossy move. Like,
You mean
something
you
that's
don't
up
like
with
that?
she and Bossy. I don't like that.
So
And
how
she
that
want-
feel bother you? How
What I
that
mean?
bother you?
What I mean? It don't bother me, you know. But the thing is, she a going like she a favorite. Other kind of thing. And then, when Bossy pay me, she a get paid before we and more.
Probably she work more than you know, like overnight.
Listen. How she fit work more than me? Me reach her work before her. Me left later than her. So how she fit work more than me? Eh?
That's strange, then I don't understand. But I don't know how that affect you, though, America.
Because
Yeah, but it
understand,
seems
she
like
come
right
back-
now you're
she
trying
come
to
back
make
and
me
she-
feel say you are my brother and I think.
Huh?
I say you make me feel right now.
Listen to me, me your brother and nothing, you know. But the thing is,
Just make
pay a
sure
shot
say nothing
before.
now go on between you and him. Then you pay a shot.
No,
I know you're right pay I get.
no, when Pinky did them, pay a shot. You can't make sure get fire for me.
You
Remember,
want me
your
do that?
brother.
Listen to me, I no response to my brother woman them and him response to him work and them. Me only response to the box them in the club.
I would call you.
Don't worry about that. I work wise. I have somebody who have blow and bar down your road, they want to box down the tour right now. That me say.
So you say, go make sure you get fire for me. And your brother, you still can't talk to him.
Listen, I have to go think about that. I can't just make people get fire so. You see what my brother problem and not my problem. You see me? What I can do, I can try something. I go try.
Hear that.
You want me to do something?
Yeah, do something. Not try nothing. Do it.
You know, so when you come to me, do something for you.
Exactly. Anyway, me I go go. So, me talk to you later.
Alright, man.
Just call me.
Alright, me do that.
Alright, later.
Yeah, man, baby. I feel like right now, whole heap of things that go on. I'm not saying no, it's time, so I was happy with so the head, they are straight, you know. You have to understand that, yo, man, I'm stressed out. Don't worry yourself, man. Me soon get a piece of food. And me call link you. And that's why I'm link you for already, because the other two go on.
Brother!
Wait, me soon call.
Brother, what? Someone can look at me, sir.
What do you want to talk to me about? Because you call me out of my house and, yo, I don't want me and you chat too long, you know, son.
Me and your brother and sister, you know, so when people see me and you, everybody know that.
Yo, listen to me, man. You must say you are do your type of work, them, you know. So, I don't want nobody to see me and you together and think, say, me and you, maybe I do some things together.
How people think that? You know, say
Because
nasty.
Me nasty, are you nasty?
Oh, me nasty. Me ever come to you and tell us someone do work today, you know, my brother.
Listen to me. You must say, you know, you're going to do what you do, you know. And people have you out in the street. And everywhere we go, you know, people are telling me, you know, right now, me can't even go to the club again, you know.
I know me stop a friend guy club.
Me can't go to the club because next thing me see you up there. So this is why I'm telling you to stop calling my phone, not deal with me. Because me can't even tell mommy say you're doing things I know. What if she find out? Eh?
Let me tell you something. Not because you have brains, you want like get intelligent. Yes. You see when you go to college, you know what me go through. Eh? You don't know not what me go through. And this works here, me I do it because I want to build myself. So nobody feel like say me I do it because I want to do it. Me I do it because all the things me see, me I benefit good money off right now.
So you tell me say you could have never go sell a market, you could have never go clean up somebody's yard, you could have never wash some clothes, you could have do anything else for the planet. Instead, you go dance, go. You could have sweep up somebody's yard, wash some clothes, you could have do anything else for the planet.
Aye, done. You are a preacher? A church me come with a, as a matter of fact, remember say I'm a little brother.
Right now you need some God.
Who need God? Let me tell you something. You done a long talking with you. Me come go about my business.
All I'm saying, change your ways.
As who?
Alright.
Who you be?
You see
So
when
you my brother?
you see when mommy find out, don't call my phone.
And you go tell him. As a matter of fact. And that me dey call if you ask about, you know. Because me say mommy and call my phone, you know. So me feel say you tell him say, you know. You see you? Let me find out.
Yeah, just back for business. She's for the street, just living life with no apology.
Oh, that sound like America. So, wait, what ya? What? I'm glad to see you coming now. Because I did want to talk to you for a long time. Watch it. The way I get nervous, I put all the wrong key in my wall. Alright. Thank God you come. Where you come, boy? Move your foot and mind this, please, yo. Come inside, man. Let me go feed you for you. Alright, there's someone want to talk to you. Come, sit down. Any one of them you want to sit down, Panny, sit down, Panny. Afraid I mosquito them, so let me drop the door. What happened to you now? So you look so? You just look one way.
I don't want to look.
Like you look stressed out.
No, it's just something that's curious to know you want to feel.
Okay. Hi girl, tell us something. Me I check for you? Because I come out there, how much time I look for you and I don't see you, know? And I wonder if me and your mother and you really black me, Marika.
And I'm black here, mommy.
So me I call you and can get you. Nobody said the line them down.
I
Right,
service,
you know,
but I know service, mommy.
Then they pick up enough place. Enough place then they pick up. Service I pick up now certain place. And a heavyweight I pick up, you know, me understand. But you want to tell me say out of the million times.
Certain place.
Yes, but What you want to tell me, say, out of this certain place them when me call, you never did they say yet, and at them the place they always there?
All I see miss call them, just a pop up on my phone, bap.
All right, thank you. So when you see the missed call, even if you're not on a credit, can you always full of excuse in America? Because you know what I want to talk to you about. When you see missed call them, if you're even on a credit, you don't see nobody on earth would really give you a little call if you ask them for your call.
I'm not around people because I'm not talk to people, I isolate myself.
Boyfriend, you're little so. You're full of excuse. You're never wrong yet.
Yeah, me never wrong.
Marika, you know what? Let me come on for the calling business because you don't answer my call and me affect you because I you me hear about and I you me want to talk to. But the same sickness when me always talk to you about. The little dirty style them you have for a long time. Me don't know where you get them from, but me sure know me. Not because me never get the opportunity to take care of you the way our mother should. You feel say, yeah. My mother never take care of me, so me can't do anything me feel like. Until you reach the age of 25 right now, you feel like I say me can't talk to you not all again because you say, oh, me a big woman. Nobody can tap me from the way me want to say at my front if me want to sell it this or put it this or take it up or fling it up a sky or under earth. Nobody no business. Where you think that for? Somebody tell me where
you talk, you know?
Me a talk because me a hear everything when me say as something where they talk a road. How my mother can't talk to me. I mean, I know every time she come call me. That's why I ignore her call. Me know. Me know say I see call them.
No sense. Why you call me for?
Because where they do not Jesus Christ.
I'm tell you, it not benefit you in a moment and me it a benefit you know. So me no want you come and tell me what to do. But remember say no, when time you if you send me go to school and then look at something there, you ever not happy. And me have to send myself go to school and me still never get in everything when me forget. And me still better. Do 1 and 2 work on the road and go. But me still not get the education and me forget. Me a try hustle right now to be a better person of tomorrow. And the wall just a come in and movie and I feel like I just want to tap me flow so. And me tell her, no, stop me food, you know.
Yeah. How will the backside is? So Marika. So when me they talk to you about the bad things them where they do with the heap of man them here and there and everywhere. Tom, Dick and John and Harry. I stop your food.
Yeah.
So because
I work in a moment. Work. I think I foolish me I do. Me have to hustle. Right now, if I want 5,000 for you, nah, give me because you go say na have it.
Liar tell.
Have money for do nails.
Liar tell. Me give you money enough time.
And all of them look when last I give me money.
A
You
good
spend
one,
money
no?
on Javi more than you spend money on me and
Remember say I try no me have you know you alone you know. And you reach the age of 25 and me still have to support you same way. When me have it, me have it. When me have it, me have it. If I don't have it to give it to you 1 and 2 times, that I know nothing because me have the other 2 them were younger than you.
Right now, nonsense.
I know nonsense. You have sex with too much man and me don't know if you use protection. That me I talk about.
So me all the bad apple in your family. Eh?
No, me
all bad
listen, you're my daughter. Me love you the same as how me love the other 2. You understand? And me no want you get this thing twisted. Don't get it wrong. You see, the devil always make people think the wrong way first. Don't make it too late. Then you go say, if me did know, me listen to my mother. Marika?
Me not say if me did know nothing. Me not say that.
Oh. You know you go say from where you now go say from now?
Yes.
You're pretty key?
Yes.
Okay. So you have right to a feel your body to go around and sleep with anybody. And me not no right to talk to you because you're adult now. And that you say?
Mommy, I work. I'm not
what kind of work? We subject you go to school, go learn, even though you never get to go to all your state. And true, me never have it. You know, look, some me have it, you know. We subject you get the time when you send yourself to school. We subject you get for sure you say you're certified to go catch man on road. Eh?
Mommy, remember say no. You used to get up
at
every
Techman
day
College you go?
Yes.
Okay, and you have attitude.
No.
You have attitude. Because you feel say 2 years 25. Right. Me can't do you nothing, not true.
No, Mommy, that's
and me ashamed. And me carry you for 9 months in a disability. And me bring you come here so. Me could have drink things, you know. Because one woman when give me something for drink when I'm pregnant with you, you know. Because me see the separation where we go come in front of me, you know. And me say, no, me I'll take it from her and carry on me yard. And plan say, yes, today I may do it. Because your papa breed me. And when don't turn round and looking at me two big bulb eye, then when God give me and tell me, say, I know him breed me. How in the road? And his friend them tell him say more than one man me have, so I know him, so if he come out time place.
Oh, so you did that do the same thing too?
No same thing as him one me did have. But him a follow friend. I saw some dirty man stay away as sperms do now. But guess what? God was on your side. Me never dash your way. Me bring you come, look how you're nice, look how you're pretty, but you look like I say you're pretty if you come sell your body. Wish you no good. You're 25, you're still young, you know, come off a calendar yet. You can get good, decent man out there who will take you and call you his wife and give you children. When make them get the love where you never get. And me did love you. I just told me never have you 1 million times me tell you if you get in your brain. Marika, me never have you and you know. But me try my best as a mother to support you without a daddy. Where is your daddy?
He's not here.
You have to go up on Murray show if you go find out who is your daddy dead. Because since that's me when they have 1 million man to where you just ask me that foolish question. And if I never one thing, I shut your box. But through you reach certain age, me stop lick you a long time now. Me stop from beat you a long time. So me just always see and make you stay right there. So you understand me? You is the bigger one for your younger sister. Eh? So when you take up this man thing and I grow and I tell your body about a work, what you left your younger sister for do? Eh? And you have your brother out there go making things say. If you go use people girl pick me and yeah, call them up right for come sell in front too. You think? You think what me I think?
What me think what you think? When I know your brain, mommy.
A true you talk. A good thing you say. A good thing you say, the great man just give you one thump on your nose make you have sense. A good thing you say if you don't, because you follow the devil. And things say what you say right, don't. You have sense? Me tell you something. You see money we are asking for? Me will give you now.
Nobody want your money.
You nobody want it?
Nobody want it. I know you feel like you want to come give me money.
Okay.
Amanda,
Your bag full.
How this call me?
Tell the man they say you're not in no talking with him right now. You're the way your mother there and you can't make no deal right now. Come, look, hey, come off of my daughter phone. Listen to me. Listen, dirty man. Come off of my daughter phone. And she not selling any more front to you. Is my daughter all when she are 2,500 million trillion years old. Me still I protect my daughter. And this, you know what? Come off of my phone, you little idiot. You have credit for waste.
I'm not on my phone.
So you go back go call him back. Here.
Oh, no man. Mommy, you know see your daughter?
Put the phone on silent. Come here talk to you and he might distract me. He might disturb me. Eh? Tell him or answer him and tell him say they talk to your mother before me take your phone and seal in a rubbish bin. Listen to me now. You see any me go back out the road again and hear them a call up and you know bar and go place and run a back road at Portmore and then sitting there all over the place. So they all other day me say the Kingston downtown in a bus park they sell front. Sorry. To the conductor. This dirty thinking boy where other day me give me $1,000. And he never want to give me back no change out about how much from Kingston fig go a Mandeville with him bright self. And them the dirty foot man they want to talk to. Look how you shame me as your mother.
Talk to me.
How you want to talk?
It's just my work.
How you work?
Yes.
So true your work, you will sleep with any dog.
No, I never seen you sleep
and if
with
you
any
lie with dog, you know where we catch your flea.
You.
Go on my yard. Come out of my yard, me say. You all turn me not idiot about me. You rank with me. Come out of my yard. You don't know say actually you reach certain age, 25. Not tell me no later. Go out, yes, go call back your dirty foot man.
Hello?
Yeah. One. Come out of my yard.
Amanda? What you mean? What wrong with Amanda? Who shot him? You come now.
I wish you talk about. I wish Amanda you talk about. Which Amanda you talk about? Eh?
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet. To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
Yeah, just back for business. Despite the spiritual analogy, some days she's happy, some days she's sad, some days all she thinks about is money. She's on a mission to fulfill her goals. Her heart remains so icy cold. Mama wasn't there for, Papa wasn't there for. There's no family that she could call. Hey. Some family is bad for business. When there's no one to call, who feels lonely? She's for the streets, just living life with no apology. Yeah, free from poverty, despite the spiritual analogy.
Oh, oh. Come here. Come now.
How do you mean I look for you?
We are looking for. The last. I never want to come over here, you know, because me and Dad, dirty dog, they can't agree. Ever rush me and he always see me come in here yard. Like my
The
idiot.
dog did long time. Right now, I have some parts and give me to go build up one old bike for them. But right now, you know, so I go and here, how trouble you?
What not trouble? You did the club one night?
One night club. How make you ask me that? One boy, what go on? How trouble you?
You did the club, yes or no?
You know,
Is
so
that
one
a
night time
question?
them do. No, sir.
You never did a club? May I ask you one more time?
So make you pressure me. So what you did there? What you did there? What you did there? From you reach out, you just ask me what me did there, what me did there. What you did there?
Me yes, you come up at a bar now.
Which bar? Me never did no bar. Me never did no bar.
Is your tongue tie up?
Yeah.
You tell lie.
No, actually I know me love laugh and everything. But watch out, me never did no bar. When me I do a bar? When me have reason I do a bar?
Where were you?
Me dey in my yard, in my bed, just did a ball, how me miss you. How more you come back home and something. So make you laugh, you take me for joke.
Like joker right now.
No,
Because
say,
who would
right.
I believe you? Which woman go
Then,
believe
yeah, right,
you?
then if you tell us me dey in my yard a ball for you.
Ball
So,
for me?
you mean come back home, me want you in my life, see me
Who
right
fi
now,
come
my
back
heart not
home?
stop beat for you, girl. And you me want to come home, hear ya?
Listen to me, I can't even take care of yourself, but you want me to come here yard. Where you gonna take care of me?
So
say?
hype, you're ready for hype back. Alright, hype, you're ready for hype up yourself for me now.
It's not hyping.
How you call it then? What you call it? If I
It's
not hype,
just-
then why you don't tell me, look, me can't take care of
I'm
myself
being
first.
an
Where you
independent
start,
woman.
you start hold one piece of food now. You just get hyped so all of a sudden for me and you never used to go on so when nothing not go on for you. But you go on man, a normal pre man. See, count on me seeing tail till you get cut off, you know. So you know. Yeah, you go on.
Anyway, why am I coming to you? And I hear some sister get shot.
Who?
What sister me have, boy?
You know what days you have more than 100 sisters, you know, me ask who
Amanda.
Amanda.
I know I'm stressed, so I'm not even know what to do because she
I
run
don't
off.
know with man Amanda still, you know, but watch out, I can't believe say really that go on. I wish I thought you hear who?
I don't know what woman and you know what really good down because me dey go
That's why I'm
look for
telling
my
you for
mother.
low bar alone, low club, low bar and club alone, but no. I know if you make money.
It's my work. I mean not make sick of people. Me start work for please nobody. Bobby, you ever try to piss me off? I when me there, I'm lowest point.
Me ever
You
try
want
to piss you off. So I'm 20 you piss me off. Me not talk about when you piss me off, you know, but no, me not piss you off.
Listen to me. Me need to find out certain things, you know.
Oi, me done with the life, this one me pick up here. Look more.
Bobby.
Yeah, man, baby, go look for the box to me. Right now,
time is money for me. What happened, girl?
There.
Me hear what go on, you know. I'm really sure what go on. What really happened?
Get shot with you. Right by your compound.
My compound. Which one I room I get shot in?
You never say me get shot in a room. You say you get shot by your compound. Anyways, that's some money me come. Fine now. Cause, you know them things. Me need to put back myself on track.
So, well, I know my problem that. I know my problem that. So, you say, me if you give money, I know if you get yourself on track. I know me shot you. Or, second of all, you have to get shot. I deal with business.
You get shot at the business.
How? In a which one I room them. Me make sure I have CCTV in every room, you know. My eyes they all over my business. So if you get shot out, that's so where you call for my compound. And me not see that. What me fi do about that? Me hear about it, but me don't know how go on.
Me I work here long enough in a bossy. Me I work here long enough.
We not old enough to get pension.
Well, I know. You know what me realize
Yeah.
you know. The situation can't get me like how you get the rest of them. You treat me different.
What you talk about?
You treat me like the black sheep. Me simply come to you. Because after your compound happened, you know, as we said before. I simply come to you. Just to tell us, say, me need little cash to put back myself on track because me drop off a track right now.
Alright.
Are you going to look for me and tell me that?
For the work later. That I all the cash me can give you. Come and work, you get paid. Other than that, me can't help you.
Me fi follow the work later. In a condition.
Second of all, I not even know what go on. I just hear something. You not come to me and say nothing. For when me I call you, I not even get to you.
Last the phone. I don't have a phone right now.
So am I a problem that? And me lost your phone.
Boss, me never say you lost my phone, you know. Me never look for you and say that. But you're going to look for me and tell me, say me if you come in and work later, in a my condition, after me undergo so much pain, not even have money to buy medication.
So no money you want? Forward the work later, man. Go and go do what you have to do and forward in the work later. That's all the thing me can do right now.
Right,
is
you
that.
know. You see, the work thing, it not go work. I tell you from my heart, it not go work. So you know what me I go do? Me I left that work here, you know. Me I left that work here. That work here enough for me. Because every time I come at that job here, some ever go wrong with me. I do not care. That's the thing. You don't care about me. You only care about your business. If you care about your business and not care about your work, that don't make no sense. So you know what me I gotta do? I go walk out. I come down my yard. I don't want you, nor my sister, nor nobody will associate with you. Call me. I'm done. Literally. Have a lovely life.
Just come and work, man, and stop the foolishness. So she not even know that she easy for replacing.
I wish the rain wash it all away.
How this a call?
I wish the rain.
Yo, that man.
Yo, big one.
You see how go on now?
Yeah, man, you must see about the little thing going on down at your club, you know.
Me hear about this, so what really go on?
I really get some details, you know. Just to come kind of do some little business with one of your workers and, you know, things kind of get cheated because, you know, things start and she never want to finish and, you know, those things kind of get out of control, so. Alright, I know. I know, say, police probably involved at this, isn't it? Yeah, man, so you all want to know. In case police really get involved, really sweet. One, yeah, 100,000, you know.
Yeah.
One. Yeah, man, yeah, 100,000 kind of quash it, you know?
Alright, I know I'm all pretty that man. Right there, right, man. I know for your head, man. Remember, say how you name with your name, you know.
Yeah, man, big man, and tell you too, so, you want to take that way, you know. But just have to check more different, you know what I'm saying? If me hear me and call her, you know, they're going to work in a club, you know.
No, you not go there, some man. You know what you think of, man. I'm to you, man. What you talk about?
Alright.
You know, see, I'm going to go find my girls, them, you know.
Alright, but just what I say, yeah, man, your word, you know. Anything when me say a laugh at me, a man of my word.
It covered, man. It covered, man. It covered.
Alright, then. I say a word then.
Alright, then talk.
Top teas. You look fine.
How?
Seriously, ready for me now?
What do you mean by that?
Machine will come back. Bad man.
You carry cheese.
Bad man tell them you may tell us something. I don't tell us come back here some bad already, not eating already.
How you feel like you? How happen? How you step to me? So how happen? How?
I'm take off. I'm looking at my face to you. Look at me now. Look at my smile.
No, but me not smile the night. How go on? How when you step to me so? Remember say, yo, know where you are. Go on back out there some man. When you carry my money come give me. Me make you get your bike. I'm telling you some money, man. Yeah, go on, man. Take your time, man. Go on. You see me leave my meds. Go on, man. You feel that? Go on, man.
Remember saying that?
Yo, I say go on, man. I want to hear.
But
But me no want to know your story, my friend. Me tell you, so when you get the money, when you get the cheese, I cheese me work for anything.
What the fuck? Come back. I'm listening, man. Come back.
That I think about in a day or so. Cause what? Me send it go process on different place.
Come like you're walking.
Yo, go on from work place.
Yo, me tell you this. You see all of you, you want to crap. You want to jam out.
Go on, man. Go on, man. But you feel like say I saw you go look a boy. You lick your cross your face with this. How you feel like? Go on, man.
Oh, go on, girl.
You may have fun, you know.
Seriously, go on.
Well, I come to you for ask you for your advance.
Money again.
What mean money again? You not give me no money from when bossy?
Well, here I go on. Honestly, me have too much for deal right now. Too much for me. Can't go deal with this, you know. Remember say you think they're on a different level, say do you. So you have to tell me sir right now. You don't see your sister?
No, I don't see my sister. I don't see her from the incident happen.
Incident. You know, say she just not real and left from here, so.
I lie.
Just
Where
not
come
real.
from?
Well, she checked me upon her thing. I remember said something happened, you know.
So you give her money?
What kind of money? What you talking about?
Yes, sir, she check if you
Me look like charity.
No, I just ask her because yes, sir, she check your pan and
Yo,
things, someone
me have some things for deal right now. Right now, me have some things for deal.
So when you say later when I come in then?
Later when I come in, man, cause me have some things to do. You see?
I watch her.
Sick. Yes, if a man sleep, I'm left gone pan come back. See there. After one now, I'm say me I go do it, I'm say me I go link up here. I'm there. Where I'm there. Good. So I'm going to the first night. You see,
so what do you mean by
you
left me asleep? You come back house me asleep. You fi tell me, you know, because I don't understand. How comes you left out of the house? No, you get up out of the bed early and go bed. And what you go do? What you go do?
Go
Because normally when man get up early, you know, and me do not mean, you know, I must something you go do make you get up so early and go bed.
Then just don't tell you things stay at the bed and you come like you take man for joke, brother. You know, you tell me say you want a serious relationship, then I'm not taking things serious.
You should I water. No man.
Come like you take my feelings with joke, man.
So what problem now? What you wait me up for? What problem?
I think Mr. Me call link you. If you wind up on nobody that and touch up on nobody better. You know? So I forgot know what style. You know?
So hold on there. What if me wine for somebody? What if me wine for one man?
So
is there a problem?
Careful, you know.
Let me buy careful. Me ask if there is a problem if me wine for one man. Cause me buy now.
Bad wine them.
So what you mean by now give them?
Give me because you can't give bad wine them like you.
B, I don't like saying I'm serious. I don't like saying I'm serious way. We are gonna have no intercourse or you might go take me and carry me. When me just a dance, make me money. How me I go survive? If me not dance for the man, how me I go make me money? Eh? It look like something wrong with you, you know. Something wrong with you. Anyways.
What's wrong with me, you know? I'm a sensible youth. No matter what that. Anyways, what?
Anyways, so all you worry about if a man touch me. That I worry about. So me's a thing now. Me's a thing. When they touch up. Something when they touch up. You hear me I say? Last night me see the boss, you know. Yeah, the bar owner. When me I walk to go in, he stop me and he give me one look at advance. Understand?
Advance.
He give me money, so cause me have the money now.
Someone has get advance up. I know me feel and vibes. I just tell me if you come here. See you.
Remember say your dirty bike. The bike where you did have. People them bike. Remember say you get you know, and you pop off everything and fight, you scrap it down, you do this, you do that to the bike. So where they talk about now? What problem?
No, I said, film back they start out. Me still go for film back.
Yeah, so go for your bike.
I go start out and me just feel the end of the thing, just go link him. Oh yeah, sleeps for a man in. You tell me some man get much money advance again. I don't know.
30,000.
Yeah, them say 30,000. Someone just get 30,000 for nothing at all, sir.
I'm the best up there. So what problem?
Best in what?
Me I best dancer up there. Me I best dancer. So if the man, if my boss want give me an advance, him see say me hard working and me deserve it. So you not come tell me nothing. You need to go fix the piece of bike because right now you don't make no sense, you know. Just come go on. My friend come go on.
I think it's still. I really like that bike. Small go fix still, you know. So you couldn't give me 20,000 to get.
He come like you're sick. He come like say your head. He come like say your head mad after me. He come like say your head mad after me. Listen. You better you just come take your little time and come from out here. So go on through the door.
You may say, all my say to you still. See, I'm really come to tell us still. Me they go for my bike. So then if you go back up the side again, the thing will go back to normal when give your money and normal and you cook and
No, that can't work.
Right.
No, that can't work. Listen.
What do you mean it can't work?
Listen, me give up my career for you once, me not gonna give it up for you twice. Go on. Go boy busy. I make me money, I make whole heap of money for your little bike taxi something where you are run. Me don't know what is that. It cannot mind me. See that me hear one do. Me face one little lightning up and it can't get no lightning up. See them me I lose a little pound and me put on what there.
Oh, so the bike tax and everything what there. The bike tax and I keep it floating.
It's because me love you. Me stay. But in my intention me know say need your work.
So you hear in do?
Eh?
Hear in do?
Me hear the do but no me hear one do. Me hear one do and me not go take.
You want wicked yo. Tell about who mankind. Myself, man.
You just a know.
Me have a sort out myself, man.
You just a know say me a wicked. You just a know. What in the dark, I go come to light.
You need to go back up and sit down. You see me just relax.
Allah you tell, come on. Allah you tell, excuse, come on.
I shouldn't you go on this time. I'm going this time.
Why no, Allah you tell when I come and tell about me not to go let's go work. Come out, one. One for the piece of scrap down bike.
Regular day, I'm not call you up, you know. Watch you know, say at the end of the day, I'm not fool, you know. Because if you do something and start my thing, you want to come back here. Touch you know. Now, man, free and calm, see, man. I'm kind of corrupt and dark. What's up, me, I go say, real while. But you mention, man, just go and relax, man. Where you want to feel?
Get away! Boy, you not follow me up. You can't follow me up. Eh? You can't follow me up. Me no want no my fees. Sister, my boss give me money. Me can't more than go buy. Right now, me no want no box food to eat.
So you switch quick.
You understand? Me no want no chicken or me no want no them they look eat that food. Right now, me want go around table settings and go eat some shrimps and lobster and grill and this and that. Just go on away, brother. Just come out that house.
So me can't afford get an lobster.
Eh?
Me can't afford get an lobster.
Hey,
You good man.
just take a look for yourself.
Yeah man.
Take a look for yourself.
Yeah,
A man
Anything
with
reach
a
a boss
top
you
notch.
Yeah. Remember me tell
Anything
you.
will reach me. You can't do me nothing, me no know. Eh?
Say
You
anything-
can't do nothing behind my back and me no know.
Anything reach a boss.
Me say if you can't do nothing behind my back and me no know. My God will dream me and tell me what you do. All skirmish. Work this boy. Me say you make me look pop down, you know. But about a whole long my life so.
Judge, you know. I'm glad you see it, you know, you must come check to your dog. Believe to that, you know. So you say, where you going with?
You should tell me where you are going.
I'm leaving my compass on the dog. I'm telling me I get tea pant, dog. What if you have one when I woke up as a dog?
What do you mean by that?
You say when I woke up as a bad man, I'm too love them style in that.
Yeah, man, if you work as someone.
That's the really I say.
Yeah,
Should I make your woman do them a type of work a bad man?
Well, so what you mean by me make?
So bad man, what kind of advice you give me, girl? What that for?
What advice? No, me not in no business, but she's a part of my business.
The girl tell me saying, come on, my friend, you just give money to my friend, so I'm not trust that.
No man, forget money, enough money too.
What you mean, sister? Long story short, bad man. I don't get a work as a dog. They come back as a, like you know, saying, no place as a for work, bad man. You think I'm try sure, dog? I'm not to react the style of bad man. You think I'm try sure?
No, I mean, I get it, man.
You mean you get me, dog?
I don't get you.
A Spanish man talk.
Woman forget money. Enough money.
Bad man.
And if woman they here, we are gonna throw money upon her. Me nah say that, but you know. I know for money, I know.
You say my compass can reach the dog and they come like a ignorant and get me ignorant, my friend.
Yeah.
You tell me be a fool and it's ready, you tell me about woman for work yesterday, like.
Alright, watch out. You come to me and say her, you know. So that's why I make you know say her.
Alright. Once your woman come on from my place and you say you go tell us me give him advance. So you don't feel yourself.
Well, yeah, it depends on how much.
Man. You may say, man, I'm not gonna make you fresh shit and brain in the dog. You may tell us about this. When I see Pinky come back as up,
yeah.
Tell him, say, brother, you know, work as again.
God go with you on that, you know.
So you come and hear you left on that.
Well, here I go on. I know where you dep on, you know. I where she dep on. Cause business is business. 100%.
But in terms of what can you do?
No, cause what she tell you.
Here
I go on. Look ya, I know where you want, you know. I know where you want. I where she want, and I know where she tell you. You know what they say, what you were saying, where you see a one thing, you know. I go.
I can't chatting thing, my friend. I used to show now that the man, yo, dog, that's making nothing enough, you know, work as a brother. Simple, daddy.
I tell me that I ask me that.
Tell me that right now, my friend. Can come like you asking now. Work again.
Alright, I know I'm pray.
Hey.
By the way, you're bad, sir.
Man, you're bad man, you're my left a place to
Okay.
Bossy. Hello?
Yeah, you're Pinky. What kind of style that you?
No.
Cause I don't understand what kind of discussion you're man now.
What you saying, Kondo? Check you.
You know what? Yo, come check me. Check me on out.
Yeah. Something's wrong. You said hello, but you looked the other way. Something's wrong.
Yo, bro.
Call me crazy,
Yeah, man, I need to go and deal with something, man. Right now, I make business a certain way, man. No joke. Yeah, man, the box I need to deal with by this evening.
Yo, bro, just listen to me. I say no, you, me I deal with business, bad man. Me so far, dude. What I mean, me no want to make no money. Me no must want to make money. And money run the place, you know. Just relax, man. Me I deal with some brother. Some people there wait for you. They just there hold up one time, you know. Just hold on, man.
Yeah, this before club time. After. You can't lose money. You know, the more money you make, the more money me make. Yeah, man, forward go and do the thing there, man. So by what time? By about what time?
Yo, just easy, man. Me so far, dude.
Alright, perfect. Alright. I do that little thing I know said so. No problem.
Yo, cricket! When you down for them to show me here? Yeah, wait, that's right.
So where you see you going on? Your man, you know, 3 long left there. So what that for? What you say to him?
What make you talk? Where you going some? Your man.
So your man.
Yeah, but you talk and you give some form of attitude.
No man,
like that.
watch out. Second of all, remember you know, that bad for business. Me and you both know that. Bad for my business and bad for food business. So you have to say, because I don't understand where that comes from.
Listen, I understand what you say. But at the end of the day, I'm a man. I'm just there to try to be real with him. I understand. Because I'm not going to tell no lie. I love him. So I'm just there to try to be real with him. You understand? But you don't have no right to come up as so. Can't do that.
Gotcha. Say love, yes, sir. And say business, yes, sir. The two of them can't mix. So keep your love life over, yes, sir. And the business over, yes, sir. Your man not fit over, yes, sir. Keep him over love.
So hold on. You're my boss. Or you're somebody with a counsel me. You're my counselor. Or you're my boss. Which one of them?
I said thing, but that one
because
man pull
you
up.
like turn out in a one way where you're my counselor now, you know. Because me I tell you something and you tell me say, see love over here, some business over here, our business over here, some love over here.
You know what I'm telling you, I don't really give a fuck about the love part, that business.
So when you curse by the way?
No, it's just that your man page me. It's not even a page.
Then if a man page you must turn up like a man, act like a man, and move like a man. A man page you run him for your business place because of your place. And of him place and of me place.
No.
You understand?
Watch you know. Remember saying that your man and you love your man. Imagine your man can tell you say me run him way. You go pre me. Remember saying a full thing dep on a level, you know. Boss,
you work, me I work. So if you run with the boy, that is no problem to me. And money me I look, you know. And money me I look.
That's
so as what you say,
hold on. Calm down. Here I go. What you drink? So
I drink one cold Heineken.
Cold Heineken. You want the light? Because I know you send up your blood pressure, you know. Because I know I'm boy in a car. You see, as long as my business go, food business go, nothing else not really matter. Watch out. We open this up here now, so you can alright, you know. So, you have to just control the man still, you know. Because I don't really know. No, she agree to go on. Because anything can go on, you know.
I'm not so Uncle Stanley. Enough for that. One night. Yeah, please.
Well, you know, you could have stayed like a longer car. You may never want to cut. So no. So make sure you say that love thing that you really not work for it. You tell her before, you know. You're bad for business.
No, girl, no, man, you know, no business can go on today. I'm not really on business more than that. No, I'm done tell you, see, I get your money already, man. Remember, so we talked about that already. Don't make it seem so like that, man. Yeah, man. Alright, later I'm come link you up at the club or so forth, see? But right now, I'm kind of just eat some food or eat some chicken and well contented, you know? You know them vibes when you just squat, you know what I mean? Yeah. You know what I mean? So, my brother come meet me.
Aye,
How come, General? You good?
yes, the man.
What's cool, man?
Can't touch your lion palm,
What's
lie.
cool, man? Yo, well, I know. Yeah, man. So there's no say. Maybe make it happen. Alright, cool. Yo, so you see I going now?
One thing doing a fireman.
Mm.
Me like you keep your be a fruit tree and thing in a man.
What thing
Yeah,
about
man,
it, man?
watch you know. Get shit to pint. Can you say that one thing I did for me though?
What that now?
Come by no man. You name what you name no man. Never get caught up in a man. Skill is thing both time man. Watch you know. Oh, one more pet, me say one place, me don't want to move for me. Because right now I'm a flat foot here, I want to skate. Because right now, for me, woman be stressing me out in the father. And you hear that good man text off my phone right now.
Hold on. So how that become my problem now? Brother, me tell you already now, bro. So certain things we did done
watch you know.
come from foreign and you know, so listen me I say no man. But every time I reason with the star come like you that me like we can't stand you. It's like you give me a time to express myself and tell you what I'm going to tell me. No, alright, talk where you talk.
Talk. Listen.
Me's a deport you.
Yeah.
Certain things we do, can't do it again. You understand me I say? Because me want to live my life clean.
I give a piece of money.
Piece of money?
What you mean, man? I can't give a 10 grand man, you know, sir.
10,000 So me to go to jail for 10,000
Bad man, you not go to jail. You not get catch, you know? Come like you forget to say a union.
Hold on, alright, talk to me. What I can't busy that about more pay than them.
Watch you man want bike. I just see code word. You want bike. You see that? It's not just part of a bike. Because I understand say they are foreign. You know, if you forget what is a bike. You understand when you say a moped, then call them a foreign. So I say moped, but it's a bike. You understand? And I tell you say, you want boldly now. Him now, if you through your mind, you can just tell him say, Way. You know what I say? And you just park in one place, and you go meet at the bar there. You know, it's a junkie love drink up, man. If you keep going to the drink up, you just move it. Play like you don't know then. After you move it now, you just walk go meet him. You just play like you don't know nothing. You know what I man? Yeah, man. It's how you name your name, man. Can't get catch. Believe in me. Bad man. Believe me, man.
Yo, let me tell you this. Check somebody else now. Check somebody else for a mission here. Because right now, I tell you right now, a jail. But you don't understand. Why am I calling that man? That man, no, yo.
I said 13,000.
Man, I run to my place, man. About 13,000. That can't work. You understand me? I say?
15.
Brother, there's no amount of money you have me right now if you go to jail. Because slow and
bad man, you not go to jail.
What me I go?
Who you put jail on this thing for? Bad man, you come like, who you put jail on this thing for? Who's the... Me come and say the reason the fire, but I'm going to mention nothing about jail.
You don't have to mention about jail. A jail work, Mr. Brother.
No.
You understand me? I say?
You go get catch, how you go to jail?
I mean, some forgot, brother. I'm stop all illegal activities. Simple as that.
And me go there for biking. And me go get the bike I use.
I don't respond about that. But I go check him, man. If I solve the case, and put my sin upon his
check
part.
him. And you go,
yo, listen to me.
Yeah, you go. Make it easier for you. Zin? That's time to link you. Zin? You know what drinks on you. Make a move. It's time to link you. Since you're afraid. Afraid. Since you're afraid.
That can't work.
Since you're afraid.
Hear me, I say. Just no say.
Can't imagine it.
Full friendship cut then. See? Yeah, hear me, I say the man. Just remember say full friendship cut. As simple as what me I say, I just sort it out right now. You understand me I say? Because I understand where you come at my yard now, see me in the sun cooler now. And I come tell me say I jail me for go. Eh? You know much things we go through fine, brother? Eh? I told me a virgin and me a reason certain way. You go overdo it now. You tell this.
I mean a reason, man. You man go like, yeah man, taxi, turn here, man. Yeah, man, but here go on. Since I want to get paid, I go do my business. But if you remember, you know, remember say me know make you really a yard, you know. Yeah, right. Remember say, you know, you go on like you're a coke boy. Remember say a thief friend them that want to sell back to white people, you know.
Yo, ease the man.
Remember, you know.
Yo.
Alright. Oh,
okay. Alright, yo.
Yo. My dog thief, remember say you walk one like
yo, easy no, brother, don't know. Alright,
oh, me if you don't know.
No,
me they talk for the tone here.
Yo, you easy man calling your voice, you can't talk so loud, brother.
Say you want.
Just shut him out, man. Shut him out. No money for him, no money for him. So I check him and deal with you. But you just vanish that information forever. Forever. You hear me I say?
Alright then. Just do this thing after me. and vanish, say I may link about it forever.
Alright, go on, me check it.
Yes, sir.
Go on, me check it, brother.
Okay.
Me say go on, me check it.
Right, you should have take it 10,000 to cry.
Yeah, you see. See me I tell you everything what the man they attack say not true, you know. But me can't make it look like they're not true my talk. Who this one? Hello? Oh, what going? Me there. Just there, take it easy. Talk no, what you have to say? You tell me say you say something now, yeah. Me don't know how to tell you this, me don't know. Just start now. Eh? The night that yeah, me did work the night but me did end up reach late. I that one. Alright, say no more. Respect for that. Alright. It's why enough you love man. Be true and put your trust in them. Alright. You now say no.
Forgive me. I may have
Amanda!
said a few things that didn't sound
Amanda!
proper. Forgive me. I may have done a few things that shouldn't really matter. Don't blame it on the music.
Listen me, I call you.
Blame it on a terrible
Last my phone. Where you lost
Yeah,
some
me I try get up some something. See if we can get back one. Yeah, buy me one.
Like seriously, Amanda, you really ask me about phone like right now? One time you're injured? You know you could have lose your life, right? Everybody a call on your phone, everybody a look for you, nobody can find you. Mommy worry sick about you.
Right now, I don't want you nothing about mommy, you know.
What do you mean you don't want to hear nothing about your mother? And your
She's
mother?
like, me stutter when me attack. Me don't want to hear nothing about mommy.
So you not show me your honor or nothing?
See there.
So, alright. Before we go to the whole mommy situation, tell me what happened. Who do this to you? When? Where?
The same night, when I send me to the man. After me done that, and I come out, me see one man in our car call me. So I say, alright then, I'll go. He did it, we are doing thing. The man offer me 10 grand. So I say, alright then, I make that go down the drain. I'll hold for money that. Anyways.
And I love that still, but one.
As I was saying, the man did it, nah come. So I say, alright then, me tired, me want go home. The man insists, say, he have to come. Anyways, me get irritated, because you know me stay. Me get irritated. And come out of the car.
But Amanda, stick up in. I could never care me hear you say you're the inner. But one about the whole car situation and you're still going to care. What you think they have a bar for? What you think they have a room on the back for Amanda? But tell us say you see when you go in a car, a man then can drive with you or anything can happen, any game can play. Nobody can save you in a car.
You're going to listen to what I say before you attack me.
Continue.
As I was saying, I'm going to just go fast forward, you know. As I was saying, me step out of the car, walk off, only to hear one car drive me down. So me run off. My backside me hear 2 shots. 2 shots, you know. Me not even realize me get shot. It's when me look down. I really see me get shot. Me faint same time.
Oh God.
A hospital me wake up in a with the whole of me hand wrap up.
So who find you?
Who find me? You just tell us I'm wake up in the hospital. How if you know who find me?
Suppose the person they come look for you and say I'm me savior. People do that.
Well,
nobody never do that.
Nope.
But you're lucky. You could have lose your life, you know. You're stubborn. Me know say me go get blamed now, you know, cause me care back on the work. But guess what? You don't listen. Me always tell us don't go with man in a car. And you always just go behind the back and do stupid things.
Pause. First of all, me never did in at the bar when me did a sell. You send me out a road. Who go wrong yourself?
First and
hold on, pause, me no don't talk. You always claim say, oh, I work. Any man come for buy, sell them. Am I lying? Hello?
No.
Okay, thank you.
But me never tell us if you sell them in a car. I talk to you once, I talk to you twice. I can't count how much time I talk to you, Amanda. Listen to me, you need to go look for your mother, you know. Because your mother wants to see you. And try remember, if you not tell him say this is what you do. Or else you are not going a problem.
Looking at me eye. Me look like me care.
Well, you're a big woman, you come of age. You can do what you want to do. But remember, say your mother, and she love you.
What you say? Love me.
Hello.
First of all, if my mother didn't love me, you would make me go to all of them the trauma. You call that motherly love? No. That is not motherly love. So you see, when you see me I do right now, allow me to do it. Nobody can turn my mother now, you know.
Me? I turn your mother? Remember say I'm me I help you. I'm me and your mother. Oh. Not because your mother's still alive. And me have your back. And me look out for you. Me take care of you. Me send you to school. Me do everything for you.
That's
so all you can talk about say me not to turn your mother. You're supposed to respect me, no matter what.
That's the thing. Me respect you. But me not respect the fact say you come here so I can tell me about candy. Where you tell me about candy for? Where you tell me about candy for? I say, that you come here so fuck out about candy. Me don't need to hear nothing about candy. Me that people go say my mother or mommy. I'm a dare fuck. You hear say me get shot. Where care come give me? You just carry your 2 long hand. Come turn up in front of me.
How me try something for you when me not even know your whereabouts? I look me can't look for you. Me don't know where you want. Me don't know if you did the hospital.
A matter of fact. I'll be in the hospital. But anyways, we're not talking about that. Matter of fact. You see that work there? That so-called work. I'm not come back there. Kawa, the bar they salt, everybody in a heat salt, all the owner salt. And you come like you own the whole factory. You travel with a bag of salt, one whole factory of salt. I'm not coming back there. And a matter of fact, let me tell you, you see, you can live your life, you know. Live your life as how you please. But for me, I'm done.
Where's it going?
Well, I'm not much, you know. So, what you deal with them?
I guess you want to sit to me. Talk to me.
So, you know someone wants to sit here?
You never contact me like this, sir.
So, I realize since Pinky come back, you know, call me. You know, normally I'm me would they call her, everything would they go through me. But since Pinky come back, everything change again. Eh? Not because she did there first, you know, remember so she left, you know. Me never left you in a bossy. Me always there. I know you put me past sideline.
You take things too personal.
What do you mean?
You're going too far. We're talking about sideline.
Bossy, normally would not get me look at 20 grand, 30 grand as tip. And since Pinky come now, where they? In night when she come back, me no get no tip the night there no. I walk on, and she get me tip. No, boss, you can't tell me about business. Me know for your business. Remember say you me work with. Me know you.
No, sir. You think you know me at that?
No, me not think me know you. Me know you.
Alright. What you think you know and all is that? Remember say business get up, down. Some of the time me have so much things for me and you can't.
Boss, me not believe you know. But I say like you lie to me, you know. Remember say me I want a loyal girl them, you know.
Yeah, I take things too personal, man. But watch out, here I go, man. The more you do is just go and do what you want to do. You see, you don't have to worry about that. Because you put too much on your brain, you know.
Boss, me not put too much on my brain. Me just feel left out. I mean, not take nothing personal. It's just that when I work here, I just want to stay there. You understand? No nobody come in and feel like they can get back all what they lose before.
You know, say your place is your place. And you still can't get replaced.
Anything you say? So, you say I'm going for later now?
Well, later is later. You can't find out until later.
No more, find out now. May I get tip?
Yeah, I get the money.
Make sure. May I call link you. Hold on, speaker for devil.
What do you mean?
No, boss, it's a phone call. May I get later here?
Come on, take your call.
Yeah. Well, another one, you know. You want to talk to me, bro? Anyway, alright. Guess what? Meet me. You know spot. You know we normal spot, so we always link up. Meet me there, so me I come. Alright, later.
Yes, the boy know where my dino. Wait until he come. Wait. I'm gonna teach him one lesson. Oh.
Baby. Where are we now? Let's tell them how to fix things. See, eh? See, eh? So you got me up for one.
Where you find money from? We go to business.
Business.
Don't go where me I work.
Don't go where you work.
Hey!
No
go like I either. We say where you find money from?
Where
Where you find money from to go to business?
Which business you talk about?
Where you find money from?
Which business you talk about?
To go buy hey. You come like one oil. Where you find money from to go buy fruit? Huh? Huh? Yo, listen to me. Stop going like it. You just see any. Yo, you see anyhow me have me knife in so me just stab up you.
You really believe
Yeah?
people? You really believe people are they?
Listen to me.
Come to get money for. Oh gosh, mama.
You see, if I this you want, you go for it. Because me not go snap your son, me get me for no idiot. You hear me? You hear me? I say.
Man, they say work hard
You
to
hear
get
me?
it
I
back
say.
and me get it back and here go on.
And what you mean by you go down at my workplace now?
So you
Gang,
say-
we call it. Go to man. Eh? Or you go to the man? Or you go to my boss? Eh? Or you so what make you so workless? What make you so workless? Eh? Eh? Me a chat here and he come like this. I go to one knees and come back here. Me a chat here. Me say me chat here. Me say you say mash up your face with
Me see
it.
your plan for share me. Me see
Eh?
your plan for disgrace me in idea.
Me say come me say you mash up your face.
Watch out.
Eh? Look on it. Look all cranky by now. You come like I get you worse than how it look. Look on it. Look on it. All the wire and chaka like your face. Look on the bike. Hmm?
I know, right? I feel away on myself, right?
All the wire
Yeah,
then chaka. Like a girl them. Where you go do
And come like
business
say,
with?
come like say, rate all the boss more than rate me too.
Eh?
Cause you look at these man, look at these man.
It better him me there with. I know me regret it.
That's
It
what you really
better
say.
him me there because guess I know he's a man. He's
Sure,
a man. And he have a man mindset. You understand?
Me
You
like
don't
you
have
talk
no
your
man
mind. Me
mindset
like you
because
talk your mind
look
straight.
at this. And this I go for. Is this my future?
You say
And this
start
me I go
from-
live. And this no
you
no
say
no no no
start
no.
from-
Hold on.
You have to start
And
from
this I go take
somewhere.
care of me.
So that your
If
future.
I this fit take care of
Okay,
me,
boss, your future.
I beg for hey,
Oh.
listen to me now.
Oh.
A good, you know,
Then
say,
one both of you, you know.
come to think of it.
I'm a fool. Come and see you one nice girl. Me
No.
believe in you.
Come to think of it.
You see,
A good thing when you want me pregnant, me go dash you when me near me and squalor it and shit you out and all kind of
after you
thing
tell
to
me
it.
say I miscarriage,
Eh?
I like you talk everything now.
Eh? What? I don't know, say. The reason why I call you just yeah, friend, not you.
Yeah, you can call it so.
I don't know how to buy a bar. This is my man come up there.
Oh, I'm a husband keeper now? But a man keeper?
It's nothing about husband keeper, man keeper, anything when you want to call it. I ask you one question if it's yes or no.
I don't see a man.
You don't see him?
No, I didn't look for him anyways.
Because we get one little news, you know. We get one little news, we go up on the bar and then we come outside and so boom, we get the phone call. So my man and Amanda do business tonight.
My sister Amanda?
No, my sister Amanda.
No,
Our sister, my sister. Me have the same mama. Our
no,
papa.
me don't have the same mama and papa, but I just want to make sure all the people put the name Amanda, you know.
Yeah, I your sister me dey talk. Me get one little news say she and my man dey in a business. So me I ask her say if I see him very night when me come up there.
So you're bossing in a business? What kind of business you're bossing in?
Oh, bossy coming at this.
You ask question and me
Oh,
ask
bossy.
question. Me
So me
answer
say
your
how
question
bossy
already.
coming at this.
But me answer your question already, so me ask her my question.
Girl, I'm a man, you know. I feel a way about the whole situation. You understand? I'm still not gonna leave my man because I love my man. I'm just ask a question, say if you see him and know you can't answer it.
I'm gonna tell her that I don't see a man because I not keep a man.
But you dey come off for one different topic and go for.
By the way, you say Amanda get shot?
Huh?
Yeah. My sister get shot.
Who shot Amanda?
I don't know. That me I try to find out right about now.
So
right now my mother vexed me, my brother vexed me, everybody vexed me. Cause Amanda she come talk about say and me make she get shot. Cause me bring her back up at the club and this and that and then look something
I
there.
like the party. You bring her back up there, but anyways.
No, you see why no, me know why you can't ask me for your man. Because of me set up back you pan bossy and me call bossy and tell bossy say you want come back. So that's why you can't ask me about your man car and me a problem. Oh, my sister and me a problem in whole on the life. So Amanda get shot and me a problem. Your man come about and me a problem. Oh, me see procedure. So where you and bossy now?
You know what? It's alright. You see, just left here say if friendship can't say see when it left here
Listen, you not to yell me now. Cause you yelling not help me up nor down. Go away you go take a time out boy you come ask me boy your man. You must have husband keeper. Come let me keep him for you. Husband, watch him.
Alright.
Boy you want come back in a go life.
Good mood now.
Calm down now. Yes, you calm down now.
Isis.
That my name.
Isis.
Yes, baby girl.
Isis.
Baby.
How much time I call her name?
So I never did a count. How much I call it?
And if me slap in your head side, now you know how much time I call her. How much time I call her name?
Feel like you calm down. You still behave like a valkyrie. It's a relax and make a girl. You know,
Isis.
You know.
Isis.
Yes, you're cute.
You know, say from me there with you. Listen, you chat too much. I mean, as I tell you, say your mouth, take it best, so you chat too much. Isis, you know, so from me there with you. Me turn one piece of papa. Me feel like one mad man. Me feel like, me not even know if it call me, say. Me don't know what me go lay down with. Me don't know what is this me go lay down with. Isis.
I mean, I call this.
Isis.
So you lay down
if
with
I
this.
even want name that too.
If you lay down with
if
this,
I even
what is
want
you?
name it. What is me? I'm a princess.
We lay down
So
with
I
this.
get princess
We don't
treatment.
lay down with this.
Isis, I know I say. Me did think say me love you. But me not really, me not know what we call this. What you call this? Cause this is not love.
You know my wife.
This is not love.
You
Isis,
know
you see
my
what time me they call
fiancé.
him, and if you tell me what really go down with Amanda's situation. John Crack. Isis. Isis.
Amanda, let's second time.
Isis.
What say?
Unalive, girl.
Unalive. And what you talk about? You know, you put yourself in a problem. You talk about my mouth. You girl not unalive. Only honey get shot in her. See they tell lie on people. You feel what your mouth and hear the load up. Yeah, talk for your world
So
here,
hold
man.
on there.
Talk for your world here, man.
Hold on there.
Yes,
Hold
hold
on.
on. You want hold on now.
No, yeah,
We making a
confess.
hold on while ago.
So you confess
So
to
go
me
on.
now and tell me, say, you do
Confess,
business with the girl. You do business with the girl, Isis.
Listen, if I know one thing, I next thing we do, you know.
You do business with the
What
girl, me
kind
ask
of
one
business?
question.
What kind of business? No. Me not telling.
You know what? Pack your things them from out of my place and go on where you go. And a matter of fact too. Listen.
Wait, say pack which things? I feel we place it. Alright, you mess man. Go and go lie.
A matter of no. You don't tell me something if you go lay down. Not tell me that. Not tell me that because I know little girl. Not tell me something if you go lay down. Listen to me. Me want you listen to me. Me want you tell me how I really good on because when the police then come here, me want give them direction to where you live.
I say me live. So
Me say when they come here, me want to give them direction to where you live because me no know you. Me no know you. Me only see you. Me no want nobody say me here. Don't touch me. I want to this man. No man. No. Stop. You me bust ahead. Eh?
Calm down.
Me say, me want
things are going from
you give me the direction.
No business. Me no harm nobody. You just have one bag of things. But me tell you go on, your contents are bad because you know say yo, man a good youth and they try growing me thing brother in every form and fashion. Cause me know your boss na business, you know. Me know say your boss na business, you know. Alright, me even trust you again because you're going to have some other man a deal and a style and a go on.
Alright, listen.
Say you know.
Why when
no.
Why when man do things? Man pin it for woman say them a do things.
Are you the
me ask you one question. Why when uno man do things? Uno pin it for the woman? Yeah, me chat.
That's your answer.
Me bust up your mouth and me chat.
You're lucky me not be to man.
Eh?
You're lucky me not be to man. Actually, my father grow me good.
You're there with the girl, make it go on so. You buy front from the girl, make it go on so.
Why?
Eh?
If me not get like a friend
and then you come
girl,
back in my house like everything good.
Right,
everything
one
can
friend,
good in me, you know, because me
I
know
want
you
friend,
do the
one.
girl something. You do the girl something.
you
Why
mess up,
all
you
of a
mess up.
sudden as
You
you
mess
buy
up.
the front,
So make us up.
a girl get unalive?
So me ask you a question. I say, with all of them, nicer and embarrassment and accusation, since the girl get unalive, but as me tell her she not get unalive, since the girl get shot, you try to reach out to her and ask her if she alright? You just the attack a bag of thing when I go so.
Reach out to which girl? We sell
go and go ask the
them
girl.
front to me man. When me reach out to that girl for?
I never buy no front.
Listen,
I never
don't
buy
come
no
play a
front.
fool so me hear from good
Me
source.
say me never buy no front. Wait. Hey, me say me never buy it.
So where you buy?
Never buy
How you
nothing. You go look for a night. I'm not see you. I'm come back down and I feel the tomato. I'm down in a bar as me tell them me get up there. Tell me say boss give much $1,000. So me say oh, and that's why I not see you. And you go on like you can grow me and I talk. Me talk it thing them now.
No, listen.
Me talk it thing them now. So you can't tell me say your boss in a business. Because me know say your boss in a business, but you just want to take me for eat that and they talk about me and this and that. Talk it short, man.
Anything where you talk, so listen, anything where you talk, say go through this a years and come back to me next year. Because this don't make no sense right now. You hear me I say? Pack your things them and come out of my place. Pack your things them and come out of my place. Me sorry, so me go lay down with something like a you.
Me sit down and wait for my youth, you know.
No more you say right now don't make no sense, Isis. So here we go on. You know, me I get myself ready to go to work and do not come up on my workplace. You understand?
You hear me I say? I can't take a content.
You see?
Because you want to come up there and tell me nothing with woman. What the fuck? You can't have go I feel a place you want to me tell this matter of fact. I say me come up there and see me even say something. Me I see the boss boy. What's someone like him? Or someone go back and can style me. Then I can run me down with slip and see him. You go
listen. Regardless of everything what you say.
Man.
This relationship is over. And a matter of fact,
you
can't step to me, you know. So everything what you say, I know say a joke you run. You don't really mean it. And here I go on, you can't step to me. Because me a real bad girl. And you know that in a real life, me pluck out the big guy them. So stop, Frank. No, but go on, so. I must see look back, man, but go on, so. Just take up yourself and just go. Come in now a fool you from what day.
Right now, I
know a fool you.
I have left and I'm going to go for me done. I move with the movie police and
if you think you slick on me, you go down your granny for your 2 pieces of clothes and carry them and say, if you don't like them. Oh.
You're not supposed to like them.
Why you?
To subscribe is free. To subscribe, yes.
Just back for business. She's for the streets, just living life with no apology. Yeah, free from poverty, this by the spiritual analogy. She's happy, some days she's sad, some days all she thinks about is money. She's on a mission to fulfill her goals. Her heart remains so icy cold. Mama wasn't there for, Papa wasn't there for. There's no family that she could call. Some family is bad for business when there's no one to call. Who feels it? She's for the streets, just living life with no apology. Yeah, free from poverty.
Oh, go on, man. Long time I not see in that place. Oh, go on. You like I'm sure. Actually, you that girl, not sure.
I feel style is different now, boy.
Yo. Forward, man. Rum there, girl there. Vibes always. Place active every night. Nah, see you from when.
Yo, so if you understand is this, you see, in a life, you have to make a stand on certain things. Because you make it sound like, say, you don't understand, says that it have to be a reason why I don't want to forward up a certain way. And that the girl, bro, yeah, me owe her money. But me owe her money and thing, and we have full understanding, so I don't feel worried about. You understand me, I say? So, I show you vibes, but more like a place to myself.
So I really club you pray for what?
Yeah, brother. I best way that come on.
No, man. You best go invest in this. Look here. Remember, say a place can be bigger, you know? We can have more girls on the ground. Remember, say, we can work on that thing, you can't open club, we can't. So what you say? It's like you tell me, say, you know, if you help you build my competition. A competition I want to be. But Rasta, it's like a joke, you're joking with thing. Where you take me thing from?
Alright, listen, I say, it's not about competition or not, but bro, you have a club, me have a club, we can make more money. What if certain things we can keep a party, me and Darcy, yes, so. and then you endorse my party, and then we make more money, brother. It's not a thing where me I try to say competition. Because yes, a competition now, it sound like I want a normal, typical black man where there's a fight down the next black man. Eh?
Oh man, watch out, man. Me I tell you, say, divided, that's how we are going to fall. Because remember, say, my girl and your girl are going to be fair girl. Watch out, we put everything together. And more money, more everything. We are going to have more girls. The place are large. It's like you're pre too small. Right now, you don't even make sense. Where you come to me with this one?
Bro, me and a friend long time, you know, so it's like, say, if me want something for myself to feed my generation separate, because when you make your money, you don't tell how much you make. You tell how much you make, you don't make your money and go on your thing. And you have your girls, them, you know, where you can, you know, ropes one night.
That the money, they are not for your problem.
No, that me I tell you, brother, so that me I say, someone have a, alright, you look at this and I work out, because I guess I know. I don't want you to see me up in my club, and then you go say to me, say, boy, what kind of thing now?
Yo,
you go sound like a big
hear me I say, I don't want no competition, and I don't have like a place. So you know for your blanks, you can't do nothing in this place. You have to go somewhere with that. You know that too.
Yo, see, for your workout forward. So yo, just me go exit round this, see?
Yeah.
Bossy, I not look at dirty Rasta boy that they woman money.
Who is Rasta?
You see, I'm Rasta will claim say, yeah, my friend.
Wow, actually, I say, I know that's why I tell you to chat to strong. Tappy.
Bossy, I'm not one Christian. No, I'm disrespecting you. When me if it have trust front, we know about me and my front.
Yeah,
not because you have a bad son of it.
We not go there, so we not go there, so we not go there.
As a matter of fact, not everybody we not go there, so no. Cause you me come find no. Nobody feel like say you're safe, you know, and sanctifying, you know. So, let me ask one question. As a matter of fact, come on, I want to talk to you.
No, man.
Boss, I want to talk to you, man.
No. Talk to me.
Boss, last night, why you call me last night? Eh? Answer my question.
Boss, I'm tell you already.
No, matter soft talk me, you know.
I know.
Because you come like you're Rasta.
Yeah, I catch too much feelings, man. Nah, man, no, man. Nah, calm down, no, man.
Bossy.
Your head so hot. I know me, nah.
Look at my face.
See, he run.
Oh, so now you see him. Now you see him, don't it?
Yeah, just now, man.
Give me my money.
Watch out, you are going.
Give me my money.
You are going. You are going.
Talk fast.
Remember saying, no? You take care.
No, I want the cash.
Me I got ATM and link you.
Me and you go, come on, we are going to cash. Hello. Girl, I'm glad how you call me. Me say, girl, me not alright. My brain turn upside it down like wall it up on brain right now because me just come from a park club, you know. And look at that boss man. Ever since Pinky she come back, you know, that cool girl, you know. He feel like so if you put me aside and put her front, you know, I put her front, you know. Yeah, girl, I'll give her tip all these things I mean and get no tip. Me say, you know, he here to me having a heart for her, man. Me say, and then look at that Rasta boy, you know, when me guy shop, you know, look at that Rasta boy with one money, you know, y'all. I run out of shop, you know, I want to buck him, you see. And the day I buck him, he go sorry day meet me. Yeah? Girl, right now me cross, me mad, me ignorant. No? I'll ball be him. I don't even want to talk about him. I can't break up paparazzi. I'm not nothing for half of me right now, you know. So I don't want to talk about him. A man that's a man too. No, I can't manage Bobby. Wow. Amanda runway. I don't know Amanda there. So you can ask me. Listen to me. Where come for? I call if you know my business or what. You know, so I feel like I want to take on you to dirty girl. Eh? Come on from my phone. You want to come like one bunch of cockroaches. Listen to me. Don't call back my number if you know nothing good to tell me. Say here. I call me for hear my business. You know, say me upset at I want you me post for my status, you know. I want you see me come off of my phone. Yeah, go look up. Yeah, your mother. Yeah. Bright. Don't remember if you're putting it.
Yeah, man, cause basically, what go on?
And you, come to. Hey, bite, what go on? What happened?
Hold on, brother, hold on.
I'm more than a week now, you know, my friend. I'm wanting, I'm ready for it. You tell me, say.
Hold on, General. You make it sound.
The palm walk on me there, you tell me, say, I like a piece of food come put in my hand. You make me there on the workplace, I wait for you.
You soon call about because the brother come like you know, calm down. Bro.
No, brother, you know me already, you know. You know, say me no normal, you know, you ramp with me, you know, want me money, you know. Cause, watch out, yo, and the boy when name ISIS, like a plan for me bike, you know.
Alright, yeah, I know you see him on the bike. See? But listen, I say, man, what we intend to do is not to actually make him take the bike longer. Because I'm going to work out some money to say I can come sort you out. Because long and short, the only thing what you forget are the money for the repair, right?
Right?
Talk to me now.
Me take my time to buy things put on the bike and plus to fix it. So you know how much money come up to 50,000 and let me not get $10, you know.
Alright, you messing.
You see if you
brother,
or him not get me money or care about the bike, I got a problem.
But me talk to you, true. Bro, just relax, man. Are you messing? You messing? You're my girl, come check me, because you're messing, man.
You glad me come check you?
Listen me, say, man. Listen me, say, calm down now. Calm down now, brother. You make it sound, it sound so.
Brother.
I'm up more a little club and I say, man, come link
you want up me, because you have to shut it down if you up me tomorrow. I'm going to get my money. Yeah? You see me not get my money by this evening or look more for now. What the fuck? At what time?
Brother, you sound like you lose it, bro. I mean, I talk to you. The reason why you give me the bike.
At 2:23 now. You see, if me not get the bike by 2:30, I got a problem. You and your friend better hide, you know, because I realize I'm not a bench, you know. And watch you know, me not, yo, watch you know, don't ramp with me, you know.
Right,
don't ramp with me, you know. I change my life through me. I try to be a better person.
Alright. Relax, man.
Don't tell me that. Don't tell me to relax.
Me have a shout.
Don't tell me to relax. I hear. Just when I get my money or
no, that is say,
money.
You don't talk now. You don't talk now. So don't talk now.
Yo, one day if you don't know, say. One day if you don't know, say.
Brother, you're going like a bad.
One day if you know, say. I put on certain things. I ever saw a thief and I go out with few things and I feel like I'm not going to hear.
Yo, so you know that? Eh? I will tell that story then. Brother, alright, hear me I say.
And if you know, say, I'm my name.
Alright, easy, I'll make we work it out.
And if you know, say, I'm
easy, I'll make we work it out. Easy. See, me I shout the man and we go talk.
Call him now. I want my money now. Just.
Yo, which place say there?
2:30.
Phone ring. Yeah, man. I mean, man. Which place say that? Me come get a link. See? Yeah, man. I bike situation. But we talk. Me a forward. You see it? Everything alright, man.
No, man. Call him back. Call him back now and tell him to carry. No!
Just relax, man.
Tell the man to carry bike, yes, son. No. Watch out, man.
Yo, hear me, say.
What time I tell you? What time to what time I tell you, say, I want my
money?
Yo,
I tell you, say, I borrow bike.
What time to what time I want my money or the bike? What time I tell you? What time you tell me about me?
No, you waste your time right now, bro. Ease the man. I don't want no problem, bro. That me I tell you, I try ease.
So what gonna give me a problem?
I don't know, but I give you a problem. You just ease the man. I show me.
You're not going to tell me about you go rent all. You go put up club.
I want business, me I try to start.
Business. Right. My business I go down some phone if you go up so.
Me I get the money.
Give me it now.
You got the money for me right now.
You don't know where I go from yesterday and you come borrow a bike from me if you get that the thief in boy then. You see it? Me was a thief and me changed my life. because I want a better for me and my wife.
Alright, cool.
I know you, I can't tell me, say.
Just easy, man. Alright, come on, forward.
I now move from here, so.
Then turn there.
And watch I know. You see, if me ever count to 10, and I can my money come, me, I go lift up back with there something that when me don't want to lift up, you know, me tell you, you know.
What go on, my general? What you see, say I'm on your word, you know, daddy. Believe man, big up yourself for that, you know. And then me there wait for a little connect. Yes, I go on.
Me I shout you from this because me you see the thing I'm gonna do with the bike.
Man, I wrong number they call, man.
Alright, hear me I say, man. The thing I'm gonna do with the bike, you need to sort out the situation. Come say 1 week now, you know. 1 week past now. So what you plan for them?
Boy, you see right now, you see I didn't even talk to me because nothing even go on fear. Right now, I want a little piece of hustle in me there wait for. You see me? See me there go and listen if I them a beat little drum. A little piece of hers me there wait for. Big woman.
Remember say me name?
See me?
Me name. My reputation, everything depend on the line. So what you have to go do is that either you bring back your man bike, see?
Yeah.
And go start out that, or you start out a piece of
But
food.
watch out,
Yo,
go on, man.
Hold on, man. If you understand me, I say to you.
Yes,
right,
yeah,
right, wrong,
yeah.
Right,
Right, yes, that's
so
right.
what
Watch
you
out.
plan to make it right?
But me tell you, say nothing around your reputation, cause that thing there, bury. So that now go speak about again. But what me tell you, say, Bulby, in a real life, Bulby have to do so whole life like a bit that they gonna say, Bulby gonna care more money problem than nobody else. But remember, say you a bigger issue than Bulby. Me a bigger issue than Bulby. Say me Bulby fresh your brain.
Right now, me have that issue. Yeah, issue what you create for mind.
Remember, say, remember good thing. Remember good thing. If you want Bulby now, we need my bike properly, you know. You in a situation. Say you try to share, say I feel him fault, you know.
What do you mean the situation properly? What are you talking about?
Remember say a Bulby.
You get the money bike, you fix the bike.
And I know bike can fix.
Yeah, so your bike, I go start out, but guess what now? You no pay the man
Some
money,
so what you expect? Me fi pay a man, fi a bike can fix. No, fix the bike for me pay him.
Pay the man and make the man know say boy ropes.
No man, that general shipping the point, I want raise price for me too.
I no matter raise price, but if I understand say, business are business. Alright, you make it. Long and short, you just have to take a bike there and carry it.
Me no, that is how I go down. Me tell you, it's a hustle me do right now. First I go left my fracture right now. That must me have to give you for your thing, you know. You know, so me not give you for your thing yet.
I don't really want nothing. I don't tell you from morning, so I just have to make sure you
come like fresh. You want fresh me now. That
really man. Link you man, because I left man down on my place, alright. So me can go to my yard right now. That me I try to show you. Man link me down on my place as a ropes. And me I say to myself, say, boy, yeah, in right because me get the bike just to do a little errand and trust me. No, me can't get back no more favor from Bulby now. So all that look for me now.
Man, know yourself bad man. Me saw a bike, you know, can't get a bike, you know. You worry about Bulby, make that man they fret up your brain. Watch out man, if you know, you go on. The circle block of me always a black staff. And just go on with the vibes. Zin, me a come girling.
Listen me I say man, hold on.
Man, they pressure your brain.
Hold on 1 second. Yeah.
Man, I come like you afraid about it. Man, jam man, daddy. Jam man, boy. Come like fire really get to fear brain.
Yeah. We don't put aside them man. What you say?
Yankee them man.
We can get you the... Yeah man, we want to get you the place man.
Boy, you want a bike.
At the same time, yeah, me talk about. Yeah man, so as I said...
Yankee boy.
That's the case.
Like you want to come thief like a Jamaica too.
Yeah.
But you want bike. Me want thief like with him.
Yeah man. What can I say? Yo. How you doing?
Wham. Bad man, I show me a share send on the bike to car. The amount of money me spend on this bike here. Forget it, they run so now. So all right, here. Me start in the key. Here. You hear that?
Yo, where you go?
Rasta youth! Rasta youth! Please walk. Yeah, man, they are now to bone. Yeah, what him could have done there? So I feel like I know chatting to me not today, you know, man. More money today, you know. My Kawaki bike, you know, it's me a take away in life, you know. Like the one that when name ISIS. Know me I go do. In love the club, you know. Now if you're still forward, you know. That me you. You want to sing.
Rasta!
Oh, see it now.
What you do over here?
Rasta.
What you do over here, sir?
What me I do over here, so? But lucky say me no do woman things in you lucky say me no bother.
What me buy that?
Yeah, but what me mean what you do ya?
What me I do ya? How that affect you what me I do ya? I come to deal with business. I work. I don't have time for time wasters and you are time waster.
See pre for a long time still, you know.
Me always see you too.
See pre for
So
a
what
long
you do ya? Eh?
What me I do ya?
You come and ask me what me I do ya.
What me I do ya?
Answer the question.
What me I do ya?
Listen to me, Bulby. Me not have time for this. Rasta did the arena did they?
Me ask you something, and me I come ask you Rasta.
Yeah, me see you
And me I come ask you Rasta.
I see you here.
But the one thing man, me kill you and Rasta.
I bet you.
Me kill you and Rasta. Watch out, man.
Me not have time for you, Bulby. I be more chatting have you know for our day, you know. And me I realize you know.
Alright.
And what kind of prayer you depend?
Oh, yourself, man. All is well. You go on enjoy and look at time
I
you
realize
left.
the whole of no man, you know. The whole of not go on like you can play around me, you know, and feel like say all is well, you know. Rasta! And my money me come for. Rasta! Where you tell me for shoot for? Oh yeah, next woman in there.
Inga,
If Ugan. And where you Bulby now? Where you look for Bulby
listen
so
to me. Me and Bulby ain't nothing.
So what?
Who like to say the man that talk to you?
Talk.
Alright, you man say, see? One little situation go down where we go have, you know, one little link and we go link him and me borrow one bike and me, the brother supposed to bring up the bike. So here we go, long and short. Forget about him, him good.
And my money may come, but just give me money, me go and run my business. Me not know long talking.
Now that man like what they love to listen. And if you listen, you can't hear me I say. Right now, listen I say. Right now, I want club more open up.
And
for myself and brand new.
So that affect
club.
me about club.
Because
Give me money.
Me say I'm glad they follow because you me fi check because I want manager in the club.
What, manager?
Yeah, for
manager
run the club.
for every club.
Yes.
I run the money part too.
No,
yeah,
run the money
like,
part. No, run the money part. The money part, alright, I'm gonna have somebody different for that. But you gotta run like a bar and the bartender man control the girl and go up on the stage and something there. You understand me? I say that me I talk about. So it go be different. So you go in charge. You know if you can do it?
Me no feel
You
say
know
me
feel say
can do
can
it.
do it?
Me know say me can do it, you know, but me can't manage it, you know.
No, and no matter manage is about say you gotta manage a club. And when you deal with that, that's a big promotion for you. Imagine you make all say you're 150,000 a week and you're not.
Well, that's a good deal still because Bossy, nah, go and good.
Bossy, no, but Bossy couldn't say that's some person. Jesus Christ, you know, I'm long to say though. I'm long to say when I tell you God never truth. You know, on the jail alone know what go on.
So give me money.
Alright, hear me I say. The club will go open very, very soon. So the money part, don't worry about the money part. Imagine say, me owe you 40,000 now, and you owe about 40,000 and you can make 150,000 a week by running the thing.
But
Think
every
about that,
time
man.
we come at this,
And no matter what this or that, it's just that you understand and your heart believe it. Because guess you know, if something wrong me I tell in your mind, you know, you go definitely know say boy, I rubbish me at all. You know you can trust me a certain way. Then I want alright, one place run us a name, use the name Scrubber Dog. No name Striptease. That a my name. That a my brand. That a my thing. So you know say Striptease. You don't get it?
yeah, me get it.
So what me I say to you say, long to see man, we'll catch up man. We
No,
need to catch up.
no.
No, listen me I say, the best thing in life is if you get a good sort out night daytime. You see sun hot. Everything nice. Come in with that man. Sickle your mind a little bit. Me a porridge on it, you know.
No, no problem.
Come in.
man. Everything I go work out. No, so say go. You were gonna know. Me I call you. You don't call me.
What?
Oh, yeah, let me change.
It depends on me take up it. Me did all gear it. Where you go?
So give me
Wait. A thief you want to call me?
Me will never call a thief.
One thing with me is see, when me left out of my mother's house, it better me go sell what God give me than thief. You understand me? So no paint them picture the palm me too outer than bright.
I not say that, but
my mother no grow me as a thief.
I just say me I say that's all, but I just not understand why in your hand so long.
And what you mean by me not fi call you?
Because if you call me, why
This
call me
feel
wrong
like
time?
no business we are doing now. This feel like some me a day.
Well, if you want to call it, so call it, so, but me I don't tell you what me call it. Me I do business. You understand?
So pay me for you do business.
Baby girl, me don't tell you I get paid already, but your pay go different.
That will take too long.
No, take too long. You know me out in the club? Eh? You know me the from morning I try to start out. Tomorrow, I place done set already, people lock down in place and change everything.
Why you so lie?
Buy out the place. Just relax, man. Think I'm alright. See? Right? I give you money later, me make a deal here.
You're not going to give me no money. So, oh, you push me to your yard now.
No, push you to
no,
your yard.
No, you get where I want. You see you? You see you?
What?
Your day go come, you know.
What you mean day?
Your day go come.
The curse out of your business plan, man.
What you mean by curse out of your business? Listen to me, I'm not mix and mingle with this. The rest of them believe in this.
I'm saying my porridge. I put on my porridge, put in fire.
I know me tell you to put on porridge and come
so I can go on. Alright, come on. Just do it. See?
Listen to me.
Just do it, you know.
What you say? Tomorrow up in
tomorrow
the
place. Place
so when time right me start work.
Right on a white house.
So when me I start
tomorrow
work.
you start work, you in charge.
So me have to talk to my boss first.
If talk to him and make him know say oops. Simple as that.
And make him know say you go take me over.
That's cool. I'm going to start my porridge later.
Car dirty, man. When me tell Mungo to clean the car, what me I pay man for? That me I pay man for just sit down. Like you actually speak, man. I walk on me now. Walk on me now, cause right now, can't go there and sit there now. Man, to clean the road. What go on? What you say? Seriously? Hold on, here what go on. I find out what go on and link you back. I don't understand what go on. Call a girl. Yo, link me no. When you forward, you find out, man. Just link me no. Cause I really need to get me. Yeah, link me, man. Link me right now, right now. Here one thing, just get a call. So I tell you I can't talk on the phone. Cause right now, everything just go bad. Everything go bad.
So everything what kind of tone that boss? I don't understand that.
But alright, watch out. You hear me tell you now. If from out here nothing go my way. Everything go bad. Man want compete with me in my club. Girl get shot. Bag of thing. Right now, think he get shot. I mean, know you not like her, you know. I know you not like a bone in her.
I don't understand why you come up with the boss. You go talk about.
Ask you.
Wait. You go say, man want compete with you with bar, right? You say,
me never ask
you that. You say, man want compete with you with bar, right? You say, girl get shot in your bar, right? And my business that, all of them are sitting there affect me.
Remember say a club, you know. A club is all about making money and you love money.
Yeah, me love
Remember
money.
say, I know me make your day some money, make your day as I said.
Yeah.
So where you
Where you are trying? And you forget 3 pints. And you call me, you know, in ignorance, you know. I'm rich, I say, you know, face you dead, yeah. Bossy, my face you analyze, you know. When I run, come and say, you know.
Yeah, watch out.
Get 3 pints, man.
Sitting up the pinky.
So,
we need to find out how I'm going.
So what happened to you?
I ask you because I know say you don't like her and a badness you pray for all day.
I don't like her and a badness me I pray for.
You can't talk to me now.
I can talk to you.
You can't talk
Talk to
you
you
can't
about
talk
what
to me,
bossy.
man.
Me
Alright, watch
Melton
out. Watch out. Remember saying that.
Melton
Alright,
now.
watch out. Remember saying me and you, me head up on a level, all do your things, yeah, alright. Pinky a competition. Pinky no competition. Pinky is just Pinky. And you know say me you're good. You can't just talk to me, just tell me what I go on. How I'm here.
Bossy,
Oh.
I mean, you want to say to me right now.
Right now, I not even know if you think. I don't know if you think. Because I get one piece of money and it come like a pay crosses falling here, man. A pay crosses.
Bossy,
Right now, Pinky.
I can't come if you tell me about Pinky.
Anyways, right now.
No, in your brain space, me feel like you want to ask me say what me do to Pinky, you know.
Like that time, man.
But let me tell you something.
If you don't know, you don't know,
Listen
man.
to me, man. Me not like Pinky for true, you know. And everybody know that they can see it in my face and in my heart and my soul and body. But me not go take up myself and do nothing to a girl or a boy. You understand that? Me we chat, but me not do nothing.
So what you do with the piece of money we you take? Because you know, make it on here, man. Make it on. Make that
By
time.
the way, so what you say happened to Pinky? They analyze him Mara.
Yeah, man. That
Then,
man.
oh God, me sorry for you.
Right now.
So bossy, like when I'm gone, the money you usually give me now?
I really that you can't talk about, you know, I tell about death. Me talk about when somebody gone.
So if somebody got what me can do about that bossy, me can't carry back the purse after me no Jesus.
Yeah, no. You know, the best you can go yeah, man. Make it on. You can't.
Me have something to talk to you about, you know. Guess what? Somebody want me to be a manager at them bar, you know. So, I go left your place because I guess after what they be a sideline I put me on, you know. And that the person they see potential and me, so I'm going to take the opportunity, you understand me? So,
Somebody.
yeah, somebody.
Why?
But see, you have me, I not deal with me right. So somebody else see me and say, yo, you know what, say rope straps. And I just say, alright, I'll talk to my boss. If I did some girl that they just gone and not say nothing to you, know, but you see through me loyal, me have to come.
Yeah, come work later.
Me not coming. Me quit.
Yeah, the man make me start and I like people. Can't play the business. Can't play my business.
Yeah, just back for business. She's for the streets, just living life with no apology.
So me a joke somebody. Play business with the fun.
Despite the spiritual analogy. Someday she's happy, someday she's sad.
Yo. Yeah, man. There, man, there. Yeah, so I say fear thing active, not sure. Wow, me happy for you, man. I feel now, yeah, man. I true me there, but you know, you happy for you, man. Yeah. And that not great sitting, man. Some girl are forward. Wow. Yeah. Nothing wrong. And but if anything you got have things to do, so you don't matter a competition, you know, there is a competition. I know a competition, man. Normal free. Yeah, man, so here I go on. Go check me look more we have a drink, celebrate, you know. In an hour, about, yeah, man. Check me, man. Call someone you know. You feel like say. Feel like see a sudden badness come now. Come on, alright, here I go. Yo, check me now. No. I have one mission for you, man. But just check me now, man. Remember, say you know some of business, man, and I mean not really lay business. I don't lay business with the fun, man. Check me, man. Alright. Yeah, man. Right eye club. Check me eye club. No. Like, no. Okay, check me like the next 5 minutes. Check me now.
Left that man, have serious business, you know say I don't have petty money. Yeah man. What the fuck we talk about that? Dead, my dead. Bad man, can't believe me, I walk out the board, can't call him again still, God, no, you. Can't believe so saying really a deal, man, that I may try to do right. God, no, you. Hello? Yes, me call a friend. Yes, they make sure I call you. I can't get you to say a deal, man, daddy. John, no, you. Well, yeah, me wrong. Me shouldn't go up your business place. But remember, say, mama, you did the youth good, you know. I an old woman, remember, have a cook oxtail for me and some style, you know. Rub down all my back and some style, you know. So me can't just make it thing just go so. I have to try. I have to... Yeah, them are sitting there. Me see it your work rate, man. Your boss, you love, you know me? Jaja, yeah, there. So they say you're not learning a girl. Or if you go do business in a car with man, brother, pussy man, them go hurt your little girl. Yes, I say done. A regular day still not come, you know. I just not give it a last try. I try, and it fail, so what am I do? Better out there for me too, man. And I alone better out there for man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, for me look a whole back go in my future. But I'm my future forever. You so see me drive past in a car too, man. Yeah, remember good. Wicked girl, yo. Turn one up.
Start business, you have to make sure you start it proper, you know. You know what I'm saying? So long and short, I can just forward up a Nick and shout me and say me. Come link him up.
Up a where?
Up a Nick.
So I'm to feel a bar.
No, that's how we are deal with man. That's how you get ready and sitting.
I don't like this. Why you want to go link up Nick?
Yeah, because the man said we come check him. What's the big deal?
No.
What mean no?
Remember saying a competition in with Nick now, you know. Him illicit to me. In we friend right now. Suppose I want to chop you walking now.
What kind of chop? Nick not stay so. And also Nick stay in a
female
style.
Never a man change by click at the hour. What you talk about? Listen to me. You want me to manage your business down? Me still have to manage you. Me not behave like me your woman, you know. But you have to have somebody to guide you and protect you. Understand me I say? You have to have somebody who have your back. And them man they not have your back because them have fees and you want to run them out of business.
Ah, boy. Listen to me. I and I connect with Zion. Means that 100% say, boy, I'm going to tell you, say, I'm a Rastafarian. I'm fear no man, no guy. You understand me? I say, I walk with Jah. And I walk with Jah, I step with Jah. And my thing that. That's why I say, boy, I want to do my own thing. And have you control it down there, so. You get to me, I say?
I understand what you say, no. But not all the time God strive with man.
Well, that's true, but that's how we pray. You know, if I say God, what is to be has got to be. When I hear time, I hear time.
Don't go up there. Go on down my back. Just no go down my back and don't go do what we have to do.
And then when he knows the boy him shout, me mama say no, me don't talk to him, you know.
Making stay. A business you deal with now, you know, your business have to come first.
That's why it will come first. After this, everything will start.
Jesus, I just feel like you want to build a friendship with Nick when Nick don't want a friendship with you.
Boy, you know that.
I'm a boss, me know how he stay.
Because
he corrupt.
I'm not thinking corrupt, I wrong somebody.
Let me tell you something. Cow never know when you until it cut off. You hear?
What do you mean cow never? Yeah,
Alright.
a cow you call me.
You
This is
see,
not a coincidence.
you see when leaf drop a water bottom and at the same time rotten. Can't say me never want you know. And you myself go on then you be alright, go on. Go on.
You see, what you need to understand, there's a next side to the story. You see, when you think negative, negative will follow. Thoughts attract that upon which is directed. You get a proper sort out. The sort out we get, you say a best one. Eh? Now that you say a while ago. And you're ready for work.
Yeah, we're ready for work. I best one that, yes, but sometimes when you feel listen, you know.
No matter listen, me a man. Make a man be a man, yeah? Don't try to run that man's shoes.
Sorry.
You understand me I say?
It's okay. But me know my boss. Me know how he stay.
You're gonna get
He
say
have
same
bad
thing.
Remember saying no?
You know your boss. You know he stay.
No, listen. Remember saying no? I work with that man for 6 years.
And what?
Me and Pinky used to close, right? Remember saying choose Pinky over me, you know. Pinky left, he put me at first, you know.
Me never
then
know all of that.
Pinky
Me
come back, he put back Pinky did it. So you never know how man stay.
Alright, make it time.
Me always have him back, but yet he put me on
Hey, if
sideline.
you go and talk to me, I forget one more now. Listen me I say. Me go forward.
You have to
Down
give me
so.
one. You better give me one more. I'm against you.
Yeah, that I think you have to think about money. You have to other think
Then
about
the money me I think about.
easy man, easy. We talk, yeah? Me a shout. Alright?
Just be careful. That's all I'm asking.
Man for car. No, sir, I don't know where you talk.
I got go on some man. Me say I the man, man.
Right,
I the man.
What way?
Anything for
You
crush.
have a bike for fix.
No man.
Then where you talk about?
Not because man. That role man. Me know say you do that sitting there, man. I'm tell you man. Me no know. A real source I me know say if me have something for dirt, I are the man for car. Yeah man.
Who tell you something?
Me have 100,000. But something come off I map.
What you say you have?
Remember saying
What you say you have for that?
80,000 me have.
No, sir. Me not to do the entire work this.
90,000.
No, sir, me not do the work there. Bike me fix, my friend. I know how long me tap the day send anybody tell the wrong news.
Here I go.
What you know?
100,000 and you get a girl. And a buckle of rum. No questions asked. You don't have to worry yourself. You just work crush. Everything come clean. You don't have to worry yourself.
True right now, me short of money and I hit a ball on me right now, you know. So
money I know a problem. Remember say we rich.
How you want?
Yo.
Me say how there.
Look here.
Talk to me now, man.
You hear about the new club out me up there, so not sure.
No, say a long time I do road certain way, I not to go certain place.
Yeah, I go
one
on.
time. I want.
No, here I go. I know a new club up so. Or Rasta. Fire, yeah. Fire, yeah man. You don't know him.
Rasta.
Here I go on. You don't have to worry about that. You send all that information. More you take him off a map. Here I go on. You might pull up yourself in the next. In the next 20 minutes. Yeah man, me have a nice piece of fire gear. You don't have to worry.
No man, don't worry about
Wipe him up. Alright. If you come off a map, you see up there for laptop. Make it disappear.
Just let me know how still, cause you see him a forward. I just showing me
Yeah, man.
Me a look aside.
Yeah, I go. Me no know what me fi do, you know. You are the man for your mission, so you have to just do it right.
You just say something, put up your hand or something, or you know what man like a sign.
Yeah, I go on. You see, as him pull up, and him have a drink. And signal you. You see, as him step out.
No problem, man. Nah, man, 1-3 that.
Do the dirt. You say you want a down payment.
Now, so I like do my thing and collect everything one time. So you tell me about down payment, it don't make sense.
Remember say the money is no a problem.
No, man, I know say money only a problem because I come for my money anyway, taking me want my money. Because I'm a crime, you know.
You're good, man. Just do the dirt. With the forward, you collect your money. Remember, you spend some money for the girl because the girl man there. Nice girl there, so you know. Yeah, man. Oh, you can buy one buckle of rum, said you. Just do it right, man.
You don't tell me say I want buckle of rum to give me.
You buckle of rum there, man. I never remember. Just do the right. Man, just do the right now, man.
I'm feeling work on the man not reach yet.
Alright, sorry. You want to go. I'll link you. This just one thing come off your map. You see? You can't take on my girl, man. Take on my business and face it. Yo, just do the right now, man.
This 2-in-1. What we are doing? Come here.
Bad man.
Yo, stop it nice. Chew me a mechanic and feel like a bike alone, me scrap and fix up. Like the boy, I'll sell something out of it, watch it. Alright. And one that. And one next one, the Rasta boy, hurry up and forward.
How go on, man?
Oh, man.
You good?
Yes, sir. Everything active, that's sure.
I mean, everything up and running, man.
I'm sorry for your record here, man. I know what I say.
No, you're right now. Me not blame you because me I think about it on a human form and say, you know, a man might feel a way like me I intervene in a business because, you know, it's like a competition for real because you have, me have, and me might get to, you know, some of your girl, them out of the case maybe and I'm something else, so you might feel a way. But no, a businessman, we share the thing. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So you say have a drink. You can celebrate, you know?
Yeah, man.
Because I drink one is liquor special still.
No, man. Right now, Corona Oil, I drink. Corona Oil.
Eh? You know, it's a good time, a long time I drink and still. Give me, but, over a cup. I don't know if cup. Let's give me one cup, man. One brand new cup.
So one cup, man. Celebration time.
A real thing, boss. No ice. Yeah, man. Boom. Yo, boom good for me, man.
Boy, you know, long more hold you.
What do you mean, hold me?
Yo, you mean hold you?
Yo, Nick, I want to go, Nick.
Yo, not go nowhere, man. Forward in that place, too, man. More.
Yo, Nick, I want this, Nick. Yo,
tapping nice, man. I'm telling you.
Let me say tapping there. We are talking about, brother. Yo, I'm going to help for me. Yo, easily, man. Just easily. Yo, easy, man. Whatever you do, it's a wrong, brother. Me and a friend, bro. Long time far where I come from, you know. From far now. I must say, you pick me up at airport, you know, when we get deported. Eh?
Me and the man that a business, man.
What I mean, so, yo, let's easy.
Take your vibes out there, some man. We don't have a business place, man. Yo,
easy, man. Easy, brother. Easy.
How you feel like? Hey, boy. And the woman here say I sleep.
No, man. Yo, understand what
I'm going?
You hear me, I say, a business we deal with, bro. So, you know, say, yeah, man, I never know say a woman like that. After me hear that, brother. He's the man. No, you hear me, man. Alright, how much them pay? Yo, me give. Yo, me triple it, brother.
Nobody no pay me.
You pay, yeah?
When you pay me for the boy, let me tell you say you have a bike. You didn't pay me when you say you're broke, you don't have no money.
Just ease the man.
Let me tell you say me I stay your place. You tell me say, me can go on.
Alright. No, hear me, I say, the past life, the past life. Just past life, man. Ease the man. Just think about where you're, brother. Just yo, consider where you're, man. Talk to me.
Talk to you.
year, the man this year, no. The man this year.
Watch out, man. I'm money I want, you know. I don't want you going and no touch.
Remember, say I paid me come pay your money, me come here. Oh, yeah, Musa, man. Remember, say yeah, man, I'm like you dealt with crime.
But you're going to touch me. I know, say money first.
Watch, here I go on.
Right.
You are the man. You are the man. Me like, yo, your daddy with me too rough. You're like, yeah.
Yeah, deal with the rough.
Bro, yeah, the man. Come here, tell us, I come off I see it. Because I don't like certain things, and I don't like see certain things. You know? So you should just make me go on. I remember, say, you don't know, say. You don't, yeah. You have to push your money. You don't even check your money. Or you know, say money. You have to know, say money correct.
But if you correct, me have to come back to you.
Yeah. What's your thing good enough? Because we don't have an agreement. We don't have an agreement for the in 90 and the buckle and something.
So where you buckle it? You don't know, say you can't afford if you carry buckle. Where you get it?
Yeah, club you have to afford to get there sitting there. You expect me to check you with buckle and gas. How am to this man? Remember saying, I'm on the talk and bullshit to her. I do a man who do dirty work still. I have to respect you, you know? You give enough respect. Because you are the man. Watch it, one night, oh, you go some booms and do it dirt. You know, I want to tell you yesterday, you poured you have to go so ping. You just pop. By the time I think, say, the man dead already. I think, say, the man gone. Because me there in a place that I go and wait for the man and then me hear, bye. And I say, my bombarders, I go on. And then I see the man pull up. I say, no, sir. Like a ghost.
It's a bite, man. Remember, a nigga there, but as a chat about that, the same time when I do a murder for you, forward back at a place, I look for see where you go. Like a run off like a ATM man.
Why? I go ATM, man.
ATM I go.
Yeah, man, ATM I go.
ATM I go.
Yeah, I go angle the money and make sure say all is well. Still, make it tell her them count the money.
Tell her them count. So tell her go count 100,000.
I them count, you know, I never count.
Watch out, man, you say, call me again, make sure say you up your money, you know, my friend, because I do murder for 100,000, because I me hungry there too, you know. Like all yesterday, hungry. Today, I know say me I go eat something nice.
Remember saying, watch out. Here I go on.
What go on?
Yeah, I deal with me like say me a punk. Say
no, I never say you're a punk. Yeah, you're a boss, is a boss, but you're not my boss.
Here I go.
You're not my boss, my friend. You're a girl and boss in this.
Me have a thing for your crush differently for me. And you're going to do it for free. Because right now, you see this here, watch out. No, I'm talk, man. You're a Musa. Let me tell you, you're a man, you know. Let me tell you this.
Yeah, you're a man, but watch out, man. No, you're a man, you run cheat. You run on certain things, but you don't run me. Me a bad man, my friend. Yo, know what you're talking, my friend. Any business, any mission, me I go pan money off right. Else me a forward back at your place and you not go like it after effect. You know, me come like eternity do them, you know, my friend. Me sweep everything, you know.
What am I sure
everything,
police
you know. You tell me about sure police matter of fact. You have a feature at your place. There's something for you too, you know, cause no, me circle you matter of fact. Me circle you.
Oh, Musa. Punk now, block me. Like, man, for doing it kind of for me. Oh, like him gonna live long. Yeah, man. You know, say, if you tell you the truth, though, like you want you back at my place, no disrespect. I know, say, you're not involved in certain things. And you say, for your father my place and do that, it's like all the money you give me come with crosses. Yeah, man. And a violation thing, man. I want to tell you, man, you come and push violence for me. I tell you the truth. Watch, I remember saying, you know, we are a friend, you know. You mean by me, I am a friend. Alright, I know I'm all pre. Remember saying, we are business associate then. You see it? But me I tell you the truth, because I lose too much business. I lose two of my girl them. One of them run off. Problem here, man. I can't take that. I tell you the truth. Can't take that. Nah, man, no violation, man. I watch it. All my niece are come check me. I soon talk to you, pretty girl. I soon talk to you. Here, Uncle deal with business, you know. Here, I soon talk to you, man. I soon talk. Here I go on. Here I go. We have page back, car. You know.
Ay, sa piece I can't hold it no more. Jaja. That morning, me leave a call for my girl neither, you know. Call her, call. We go on. And then girl feel like she make me forget about her, you know. Go on now, baby. What you mean now with this? No must ball be a wire man. See you. Baby, watch out, get piece of food now, you know. And get one nice bike to permanent now, you know, baby. So you know, so I can make up money from the side. See you, you know, don't. Right now, I left all the mechanic working, you know, baby, because I don't feel like say that I do me no good, you know. Yeah, man. Right now, I'm building the start. Me get a contract work to go do building and say, you know. No, sir. No, man, I'm a contractor for your place. I should show me know about the place and know about the trade when me do. Yeah, man, then give me a contract and say me just get cleaning and just, you know, just wipe up certain things and do certain things. Yeah, man. No, sir, you know, say, I tap me top on the road and piss and say me I go shut a piss do and then you come to mine at the time. And me I say, no, sir. Yo, me no like to talk them sometime, you know, girl. Makes sense to tell me say I can link me, I can tell me about no. You can't manage to me liar than one bag. No, baby, I don't lie to you. No lie. Why you think I don't lie? Alright, watch out now. Watch out now, come check me. I have something for you nice. Me making money, you know. Right now, I JD, where say buy me a car buckle of rum too? No, me have a buckle of rum in my yard because I forgot collect a buckle of rum too. No, matter of fact, me I go buy a buckle of rum because I don't even think me I go back around this stuff you know. Yeah, man. Alright. Love you. Mwah. See you. Alright. No, sir. I tell my woman say, me get money. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 70, 75, 80, 90,000. You know 100,000 boy if you give me? No, sir. I want to rest of my money now too. Around them I go right now. Feel like I saw you go. He's a man, me no do things and feel. I'm feel man, I go for the money.
Well, this place I don't even have a name. 24-hour view.
Good now.
Yo, sir.
Only be there for me. Oh, customer already.
Customer.
Yeah, good evening, man.
Yeah, man. Good evening, sir. You're the proprietor here?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You
Oh,
know, business. Because we have one heap of girl here now. Enough girl.
Your name, Nick?
Yeah. How you know my name? How you know me from?
All right, no worry yourself, boss, man. Anyway, this place here look like it reach every protocol there is, man. Eh? I don't even see a license on here where you're selling alcohol or nothing or so forth, so I don't understand what I'm going.
How you? I don't understand how you can question my business. What you talk about?
Anyway, a papers me come here to serve for that place because, as I say, it beach every protocol. You look around here and notice the area where you operate business here, sir?
It's a good area, perfect area for business. This has been great.
This is a residential area if you don't know, you know. And you can't be operating places like these here.
Well, you know, so my thing up to date still, you know.
I'm not really up to date, but as a...
Watch out. The people them in the area know say my thing active and I don't have a problem with nobody. Everything active, man. I'm pure, man.
But everybody have problem with you. Why we getting these complaints? Nice abatement act, eh? You have girls all but look at the area. And you bring down the area, my youth. You understand? This place have to lock, man. You have to lock.
Hold on. Remember, say money ain't no problem. You know?
Money ain't a problem?
Yeah, man. Much money you want? Just start number. Give me a number.
Oh. But you know, say me is an officer. You don't know that. You know, say me can't charge you for bribe. Eh? I should have record you. Oh, you know, I've not much to say now. Eh? You're subtle.
Let me see what you're on this.
Looking right. You can't, hold on. Let me ask you first. You can't read?
Yeah, man.
All right.
Like one call style, man. Thing. I know someone rich. Lockdown. Yo, this a figure reverse, you know.
Yeah, man. Don't worry yourself, man. You can't. Anyway, it's yours. And you keep it. Me only want to know, say me hand it to you. You see me? As a matter of fact, hold on. What time is it now?
Time early, man. I'm here.
So it's a 24-hour place I run. It seems that way. Hold on. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Well, it seems like I can have everything I go on good in here anyway. Well, listen to me. This little place here, everything I go on feet. You have a room around there, eh?
It's a business.
You have license for hotel?
Man, me's a businessman.
You're a businessman?
I make things happen as a businessman.
Oh. All right. Hear what now? Cut the thing short. Real reason why I'm here. Zane? Because somebody in here so get unalive and the next person get shot. You don't know about that?
So yeah, say I don't mean do that.
No, I don't have to say you're do it, but it's your establishment. We can't allow that to occur around here. Right?
You don't shot nobody, officer. What you talk about?
You not for yourself do the act, you know. But at the end of the day, what kind of establishment yes I run?
It's a business. How much them pay you?
How much who pay me? Government? Me's alright, man. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself, boss man. Anyway, as me say, me not leave here without at least me ensure you get your thing, boss man, and this place will have to close. You have to go lock down. You understand? You have to go find some other business. Or move you go somewhere else. But you can't work here, so. You can't work around here, so.
Go mash up the business.
And you mash up the place.
Me never tell them for dead, you know.
You never tell nobody for dead? Boss man, have a good day. Alright, me need the panta pie something, so you know who to call and what to deal with, alright?
My money I know a problem, you know.
You come like say you want me stick a charge for you, know.
Have a good day.
Alright.
Have a good day.
Yeah man, cool.
Problem.
Yo, you know, go on.
I give you get already, you know, so I'm Musa.
Oh, me
I know I pay a problem, you know, so I don't understand.
Be a problem, what you talk about problem? What's that man, what that? You can short man money. You can short man money. What kind of style that?
90,000, 100,000 we agree upon. I hit there nice.
Bad man, you see all man like you know, youth.
I'm tell the girl.
You see all man like you, youth.
You're gone.
I'm tell you, I'm tell give me money, youth. How you feel like? Where buckler rum there? Are you place me there? Where buckler, where girl there?
You're right now, watch her.
I don't want to see nothing there, so my business me come about. I don't want you to tell me about your business.
Right now, my business place get locked down, brother. Right
tell
now,
me about business place
my
get locked
favorite
down.
girl dead, brother. Watch her. I'll pay a problem. Just check my back. Check my back, man. Check my back. Check my back now. Check my back. Yeah, I get the rum. Me rum in there.
You don't hear what me I say. You don't hear what me I say, no. You don't hear what me I say.
Watch her. Me happy.
Yo, look here now. Let me talk. Watch her now. You go up on a mission for you.
You're going.
Oh, watch her now, man.
Yeah, me I take your money and you just bring him back alive. Sorry. For... Man, right now I'm confused. Me tell you the truth. Cause right now, my business get locked down. The favorite girl just gone, so. And right now, you come.
Boy, you know how me be?
Remember say we not have no money problem.
You tell me you have no money problem and you tell me say you want to hold that.
Alright, watch her. Me have 300,000 I get 10,000 out time.
You change 10,000. You change 10,000.
Yeah, go.
And you can short man money, you change 10,000.
I know me, a girl
you can tell me boy you have.
Tell the girl say me want 100,000. 100,000. You sure you never take out the 10 grand?
I talk about take out 10 grand.
Yeah, move so.
How me move you? Watch out man, just watch out you can tell me. Come here man, how you go? You know bad boy. You tell me a thing I know I be a problem. What go on? You have 100,000 in this, but yet you have to go a bank for film money for give me.
Yo, watch your name now. Despite that one, me have connects and linking, and but I feel like me think.
There's something to connect you with, you know? There's something to. Mama! Oh, wagwan! That's me I go link you. How you feel so?
What your problem?
So me never call you and tell you, from what you realize you deal with me strong, you know. Call by phone me and talk and you deal with me like say you me a stranger to you, what me? And what you realize your action, but me not say no, and really that me reach up and say, what? You know please to see me?
Bulby.
Like them me don't know me name, me know me name enough for your boy, so me don't like how you deal with me.
Why you calling? Why you calling? Why you calling?
She say me making money. And me say, yo, me have to go somewhere nice. What you think all that? And you have to tell me you're there, you know.
That sound nice. That sound good.
Sound good.
So where you get your money from?
I'm going to tell you my phone already.
Oh, I forgot.
I'm a contractor. I get a big contract to deal with some place and something. So, you know, I get a piece of food for you. I really like.
So where want we to go?
Well, I never really consider all of that thing. Because too long, I don't touch road certain way. I even remember certain places, you know, like road like that. And you have to tell me that you're on the road every day, man.
Well, me have a couple places in mind. No, sure.
In mind?
Yes.
Jaja, that's
so.
so.
I always want to go.
I always want to go. Jaja.
Oh, that sound.
That sound bad, but how is that?
Out of town.
Out of town.
Yeah.
The two like left my place still out of town.
Come on, enjoy. We are gonna enjoy ourselves. We one time not gonna kill we. We just left go somewhere far, go enjoy ourselves and come
right now.
back.
At least about guys money in just put it on in the house. So put it on in the house. Put it on in the house.
So you're not sure more.
Yeah, no bother.
More so in there. So yeah, move so. But Bulby, come here. Be honest with me. I'm me alone there, so no ears, nobody in there, so Bulby. How you come by money? Listen, think before you talk to me.
I don't think I know your answer because I want contract me get and me tell you more than one time. A contract what me do, contract me get.
Contract work with this?
No, that a different something that.
Why in there? Are you give me back? You know
No.
say in there.
Me give you back cause you consent. You like you consist with what I want go on in there. You see me? I don't tell you looking at it. Tell you put it down.
If you go be me man, you know, I want to know what really are going on, you know. I can't do with a liar, you know. You have to come straight forward to me.
You know what I'm saying? I real life though. First me say me your man though. First me say me your man, you know. Jaja. Alright. Watch out now. See what you see in there? I want to look at transaction go on with it.
I don't understand. I understand.
I want to look at mission happen with it. And me come by in a period of time.
So Bulby, I saw you plan to live the rest of your life?
Yeah.
Huh?
If my son me plan, when me change the child be a better person, what you say? You look for me and say, you know remember don't?
Oh, so I contract give you the money.
Then, no,
this give you the money.
Take time talk the girl.
Nobody now hear me.
You don't know that. Take time talk.
They know what me a talk about? They don't know what me a talk
But what
about.
me a
And this give money, don't it?
Then when me I go get money, that give you money, that I give you money nowadays.
You're still a lie to me, but
How me a lie
you can
to you?
say you're a lie to me. Why you do this?
Judge.
Alright, obviously you're not my man then. You're my man, yes or no? And tell me.
Then me not tell you everything we need to know. What else you need to know? Nothing more than for me. You want me to go tell lie for myself?
Bulby.
You want me to tell lie for myself?
Bulby.
Myself, I'm tell lie.
Bulby. At this give the money, be honest.
Well, that I give you money nowadays?
Yes.
No, me
because
have to
when I
work
do
for it.
certain
No,
crime,
me have to work for it.
yes.
I work, me put in, me dedicate myself to achieve the money there.
What kind of dedicate to do?
You are pushing now, you know, you want to know too much, you know. I mean, I try
Me
to
and
tell
your
them.
woman, me supposed to know
I understand what you
everything.
are saying, but
You don't trust me, then this don't make no
me
sense.
not trust you, but me I tell them, it's like you want me to tell a lie. It's like a lie you want me to tell. Me I tell you, say you.
I contract get the money. That's what you tell me, don't.
Yeah, man, 390,000 now come by. So easy na them a time right now, you know. You see?
Yes.
So, contract, give me. Yeah, smile too much in a girl. I mean, just the smile and I walk on.
Call guy. Oh my God. Oh. Father God, may I ask if you forgive me.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
See that now? Ready? Go on. Start. Ready? Mark, I see camera.
Talk first now. Yeah, then. Rum, you don't know, say I'm going to be representing.
Come again. But we don't go so close. Look ahead and cut out. Alright. Let's go.
Let me step up there, so we go some else. Walk up there.
We're going to talk. I mean, before I talk. You're going to talk first and then fall back and put them on hand.
Why?
Ready? See that now? Ready?
Yeah. I'm putting them on hand.
And action!
Yeah, guys, you don't know it's America, and I'm here with another movie called Bad for
Business!
Yeah, and this is a wrap.
Episode 3!
It is a wrap, guys. This is the final, last season. So,
Episode, what season? I'm checking your season.
Rum!
episode, guys.
One representing for things we hide and all things that just like things we
hide. Forward. No, bad for business. All things we hide, boss. No, we don't hide nothing. Yeah, man, bless up on the stage. We don't know some. Hold on. Yeah, man, we don't know some public report representing for the people. You know what I mean? And some family, yeah. You know what I mean? You have America, you have ISIS,
yes,
and you have Bulby 101.
Yes.
You don't know everybody that's been a part of the film. Thank you, know. And, you know, this is like, yeah. The episode 3 when we done it, there's some badness, no pay, you know what I mean? Even though it pay, but you know, really pay. You know what I mean? She's for the streets, you know what I mean? Hey,
she's not for me.
I'm for the street. I dropped my man. Guys, remember to go over America TV, go like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, Bulby 101. Yeah.
JNU Plus.
Official.
On
YouTube.
Tell him.
Yeah. JNU Plus on YouTube, one JNU Plus official on TikTok, on IG, and tell a friend. So remember, say Bulby 101 still here waiting for you to comment and like and share, you know? Right.
Remember, it's the final episode. Don't ask you no more. No man come.
Yeah, man, you done this. Nigga. Not sure.
Burn up.
We are done this. Burn up.
Yeah, just back for business. She's for the streets, just living life with no apology. Yeah, free from poverty. Despite the spiritual analogy. Some days she's happy, some days she's sad. Some days all she thinks about is money. She's on a mission to fulfill her goals. Her heart remains so icy cold. Mama wasn't there for her. Papa wasn't there for her. There's no family that she could call. Hey. Some family is bad for business. When there's no one to call, who feels it? She's for the streets, just living life with no apology. Yeah, free from poverty, despite the spiritual analogy.